Are we back? Are we back? Are we back? Are we back? Hey, my white balance is all weird. I'm just realizing that my white balance is all weird, like configure video. Wait, now it's all advanced settings? Why is white balance set to auto? See, I have more color. I don't look like this. I'm not super cool. I got color in my face. I got blood running through my veins. It's like that. This is my real face color. Webcam seems to be resetting sometimes. Whatever. Whatever. We're back. Great. I turned Poland into a republic. Thanks, simulation. I guess. I think. I'm not sure. We're going to say transform chair or spawn. What's this? We're going to say spawn.setParent. Blinksy, thank you for the bits.
For stream fixes, being happy.
Thank you for fixing the stream with those bits. Thanks so much, Blinksy. Rip, we're back, right? No, wait, refresh. Everybody refresh. Well, you guys can't hear me. See it. If you guys can't see me, they need to refresh. Someone tell them. Set parent transform, and then spawn.local Euler angles equals 0. Spawn.local scale or a local position equals 0. No worries. No worries, Lane. I don't know. Oh, like a message? Should I read this? Should I not read it? Do you not want me to read it? Tomorrow's release time for our game. It's been a long 7 months, but hopefully it'll be ready. Oh, what? Jamjar, that's awesome. Congrats. That is great news. Where are you? What platforms are you guys releasing on? Awkward. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Always fun when the boss makes us change the full input in the game within a week. Yeah, that's no problem, Elaine. No worries. Sounds good. This is pure mobile, Android, and iOS. Cool. What's the name of it? What's the game? Or is it a secret? It's very laggy. What's laggy for you, Soul? The stream? Or my face? Or both? Oh, you need to support nested prefabs? You shouldn't have to instantiate. Yeah, right, Neville? Right, nested prefabs. Goddamn. Why don't we have that? Why is that a thing? Why is that not a thing? It's so frustrating that I have to do it like this. So hacky. It's an arcade-like football game. Check out Stick Sports. Cool, we'll do that. Well, come back and let us know when it's out so we can all check it out on stream. That'd be cool. So these are going to need a chair in them. A booth chair, if you don't mind if I do. And this is going to be reset. I think, probably. Why does that look like nothing? Why does the booth chair have nothing in it? God damn it. No. What's happening? There's a model, there's a poly source. Missing mesh? What? Oh no, what? Oh no, damn it. I deleted the chair. Apple wants you to check. Oh, of course. It's the best game you've ever made? Wow, nice. Where do we sign up for a mailing list to be notified? Notified about what, Primer? Orange Sky, hello. How's it going? What? Dismiss. Damn it. I deleted the chair FBX. I thought that was the chair. I thought that was something else. I'm with the fool. Get status. Back to bid bucket. Falling apart today. Quasi, you'll take part? Nice! Yeah, starting on Friday. Did the cam just reset? How do you mean? What do you mean? This is Orient Blind Forest? It is Rave, yeah. So damn good. Indy Kylo, what's up, dude? So models. the hell's, where was chair? Items. Chair. So now there should be chair. Where's my damn chair? Oh, not HTML. Models, items, chair goes in here. So I accidentally deleted the chair mesh because I'm very responsible. Now it's called this, and it's huge. How are we all doing? I'm doing great. How are you, Kyroy? So that's the model. So we do want it to be shrinked down a little bit. Alright, so this is a booth chair. And what just where'd that chair come from? It's another booth chair. Oh, that's a booth chair. Prefab. Alright, delete that now. So chair locator. These are supposed to spawn chairs on awake. So apply the prefab and let's see what happens. It's sandwich making time, so you know it's good here. Nice, Kylo. What kind of sandwich? Thanks for asking. A promotion and a bonus today. What? Congrats. That's awesome news. Okay, so these chairs are too high. They should... I assume they should be at 0, but I guess not. They should be like lower. Why are they spawning so high? This booth chair should be at 0. And then the nav meshed obstacle center is way off. Model 0, 0. And the interaction point is what we're gonna the reason we're doing all of this is because of the interaction points. 1 AM with Swiss Pickle, nice. The mother effer. What Nessus prefab library is that? It's not. These aren't Nessus prefabs, they're just a list of prefabs. Is there an epic quasi-jam explainer video? There isn't, but that's a good idea. So what the hell? What the all hell? This is like that. At 0? How? Does that mean that I have to bring this up? Right? If I wanted to show like that? Oops. And this should be like that. The drawer, this is enhanced hierarchy. Well, that didn't work. They're definitely not... Is it because they're set to static? Let's uncheck that. Model, poly surface, mesh render. There's no animator on it. Just an interaction point. And we're spawning them. We're saying 2 spawn, create pull. Spawn equals 2 spawn. I transform that position. Set parent this transform. And local position equals vector 3.0. So this is our thing. This is at 0. This is not at 0. What? Alright, wait. I'm oh. No? Oh. No? Oh? No? Oh! This is not at 0. I was creating the prefab aligned to something that isn't even on the floor. God damn it. Gosh, diggity darn it. Okay, so if that's at 0, it's at 0. This kind of makes a little bit more sense, and then it should be like that, I guess, probably. I don't know, like that. And that could be like that, I guess, maybe, possibly, who knows? You're more a modder than a game maker? Hey, that's totally cool. Modders are awesome. They make sweet stuff. All right, we got it. We got chairs. We got chairs. I made a chair. My mom will be proud. Now, it's kind of not actually on the locator, right? This is the chair locator. I don't know where the icon's supposed to show, but the chair's all the way over there. And it's rotated backwards. So I think the chair... I'm on local. So the local forward of this chair is that way. We care about the local of this locator, I guess, and that's forward. Okay. Yo, Martyr with Healer of the Hill. Oh, nice. How's that guy doing? I haven't seen him in a while. If you hold V, it'll vertex snap in the scene view. No way. Why'd you lie to me? Why did you lie to me? Oh, sweet. That's awesome. Wait, what do I do with this? If I hold... You can grab vertices? What is this for? So I'm moving something, and then I hold V, nothing happens. Oh wait, as if I... Nope. How do you use that? I'll hold V, then click and drag the vert. I'll hold V, and then... Oh, I see. So you can snap it to other vertices. Cool. You snap edges together. That's very useful. Thank you. I've always wondered how I'm supposed to do that. Sean with the epic fail of emotes. Or I removed him. I can't remember. Alright, so the booth. Let's move this chair somewhere else. So on start, those chairs get spawned. Now, are they spawned where we want them to be? I think so. And then does my booth know about these chairs? Let's find out. Let's serialize our interaction points. So we have this list of interaction locators. Let's just serialize this to make sure it's getting set properly. And they are. Cool. Cool biggity biggity beans. You don't have a dark sense of humor like I do, Jeffy? I'm afraid to find out now when you say it like that. When you say it like that... So now we have one kind of chair that we could use for booths. And let's use the same kind of chair for our panels here. So we're going to delete these locators for chairs. I'm going to create a empty, call this chairs. Another empty, call this guests. Put these devs in guests. And we'll copy the chairs from the booth, this chair locator. Now what's up with the scale of these guys? Why are they scaled down? I don't like that one bit. I like all my scales to be uniform. Does that mean our chairs are going to be too big now? Because they're probably getting scaled. Making a public-private thing accessible to the inspector? Exactly, Victor, yeah. So if you make everything public, then you run the risk of it, getting changed in scripts where you don't want it to get changed. So if you make them private and then serialize them, you can still see them in the inspector and treat them like a public variable, but you can't get them screwed up by any other classes. Shoob, what's up, dude? Do you like the new hierarchy layout? It's okay so far. I'm getting used to it. I really like the ability to just change the icons here. So I have this sweet little chair icon now for my chairs. I really like the idea to hide them like this. Probably more useful as we get further into like editing stuff. But I like it so far. $10. I'm sure it's going to save me a lot of time in the future. We'll see. You can also apply prefabs with this A button. So I'm excited about that too. I haven't been using it though because I'm so used to going up here. But given enough time, I'm sure we'll start using it. You can lock stuff as well. So I believe I could like lock this So it stays in the inspector? Or it doesn't stay? Or it gets... Oh, it blocks... Oh. Does that mean I can't select it? I don't know what that means. Oh, it's locked does it all. Oh, it means you can't change it. Okay. Is it the pivot point thing? Change from center to pivot? Is what the pivot point thing? How much experience do I have in game dev, Rafi? I've been making games seriously for 2 years. So I released the game on Steam, and this will be my second commercial game. And I've done a bunch of game jabs and a bunch of other crap like that. Wait a second. Why are these called chairs? Oh no! I didn't mean to do that. Just wanted one chair locator. And put a chair, and put a chair, and a chair. Alright, so let's try to get used to using the hierarchy. Whoa, 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 whoa! No! Okay, that doesn't work as intended. I wanted to save a new prefab. 1939, October 11th, United States of America joined allies. This is going well. What? What are you talking about, simulation? I have no tolerance for yelling. I'm going not do anything about it. What is the asset called? The hierarchy asset? It's called enhanced hierarchy. But again, that was really weird. This apply button, let's look at this. If I move this developer and then hit apply, that works. Okay. So I guess it's once you delete stuff, then it tries to... You can't undo. Oh, shit. I can't undo what I just did. So if you apply stuff through this, if I apply it here, I can't undo either. Okay, that's fine. Is that hand thingy floaty? What? Is that hand thingy? What are you guys seeing? This thing? My hands? My hands don't float. You've got egos. Nice. Playing as United States of America and our Hearts of Iron. Oh, okay, gotcha. That makes more sense. These chairs. Move it over a little bit. Oh, forgot to apply the prefab. See, there is... I do like... See, sometimes I wish you spent more money, right? Like, Q hierarchy is nice because it warns you when prefabs aren't saved and stuff. Well, we'll see. The hand dispenser of how it's called when you are in play mode, like, looks like it's floating. Oh, yeah, it is floating. It's floating in this. It shouldn't be floating when you make one. Where is it? I forgot that's actually there. Let's move that guy out. Let's move him back. Should be here. There's no room for mistakes here, Positive. You'll notice our glorious leader never makes a mistake. Never! Never touched a mistake in my life. Alright, so we're going to put a panel down. There's the chairs facing the completely opposite direction that we intended them to. How nice of us. Wow, literally after Monty makes the jokes about never making mistakes. Literally. What is a mistake? I don't know, I never made one. So I don't get it. The forward is backwards? They are spawning offset. The local here is forward. So these chairs are spawning forward, but they're backward. Which means I want... Oh, because this is flipped. Don't flip. During World War II, nice. Okay, now they're spawning forward, but they're way offset from where... Yeah, they're not spawning at the center, they're spawning at the pivot. Why is that? How to bug a dev as asset creator? What's the question? Yeah, they are spawning at the corner. Cause the problem music. I know, isn't this the perfect music for deving? go back to our booth. Oh, our stupid model's not even centered. Alright, the Y is fine. The Z and the X are not centered. Everything matters. Everything matters. Okay, I'm starting to grow to the hierarchy a little bit more. Because normally you have to select something and then you apply the prefab. Now you can just apply it without selecting the prefab, which is nice. Why are you sad, Jeffy? Alright, that didn't work. Oh wait, no, it did work. Okay. These chairs are tiny. These characters sit weird. See, now it looks like they're sitting. In their tiny chairs. You guys are so damn tiny. Wait, they're still clipping the chair. God damn it. See, their proportions are weird, I guess, for chairs. What? Still floating? It's bullshit. Okay, so locator should be down and forward. See, now we have one chair prefab, so we could just change it there. Luigi's awesome. Look, the fact that the chairs are so small. Really, Elmer? You think it fits more with the style? Alright, we're getting there. Oh wait, are there butts in the chair? Oh my god, I think their butts are in the chair. I think, guys, we got butts in chairs. Wait, I can't tell. Yup. I mean, because their legs aren't bent at a perfect angle, right? Their legs are bent like this. I think it wants their legs to clip a little bit into the chair. We want their butts all the way down. So I think they expect the legs to clip a little bit. They didn't really do a great job with that sitting state. Hashtag butts in chairs. Chairs are smaller than Donald Trump's hands. That would be awesome. Music engine for streams like it works in games. Vandy, that's really cool. But then the music would always be the same, and that would be the main problem. Here we go. Butts and chairs. They actually sit at booths now. You're right, the smaller chairs do look a little bit better. Especially in proportion. Like, chairs are pretty small compared to us, right? The backs could be higher, but whatever. Clipping in the chair makes it look like sitting in the chair without the chair moving. Yeah, you're totally right, Neville. Tiny chairs imitate actual con chairs. Hard and uncomfortable. If I know C#, is it hard to get in Unity game dev, Rafi? No, it's actually super easy to get in Unity game dev if you know C#. I would say you're more than 30% of the way there. The rest you have to learn is just the game design intricacies and the way Unity wants games to be made. Damn it, these chairs are backwards. The boot's the other way, guys. The boot's the other way. Oh, wait. Do beanbag chairs work? Beanbag chairs? Will they sit in a beanbag chair? The chairs are backwards, yeah. All right. Kind of. Kind of. What the hell's up with our booth chairs? Oh, they are just rotated completely opposite. 0 or 140 or oops, 40? Nope. Minus 40. Minus 30. Minus 20. 20. And 0. What's up, Kirai? Trying to build a library, but it's Visual Studio 2013. My main project 2015. Oh crap, that's not gonna be fun. Some people who work are making mistakes. Just people who doesn't work making no mistakes. You need blend shapes on that beanbag chair? No, Jam Jar. First of all, Unity doesn't actually support blend shape, which is too bad. In game engines, you can usually only do bone animations, but that got crazy. The characters are cubes, damn it. They're damn cubes. Let's fix the locator in that. Let's put a 3K booth down. All right, chairs are facing the right way now. Rotate the beanbag chair. Oh, Amato, that's so smart. That's so smart. Yeah. Oh man, So it looks like they're like relaxing a little bit, right? Oh, that's so clever. This is the interaction point. So we'll raise it up. And then we'll like rotate it backward. We have to check if their rotation gets set. I think it does. You do blend shapes in Unity? Wait, how? I thought they didn't support blend shapes. Kind of. Just gotta move it forward a little bit and make it even more back. We use it to make our character smile. No way! Oh, I guess I have outdated information then. My bad. There we go. Look at that guy relaxing. Doing his thing in his beanbag chair. He's so happy. He's so happy the beanbag chair is not centered though. Is that what it does? I thought die was just a way to pay jerk homage to. I think let's change the die command. So I realize now, if you walk into the show and it's your first time and you're watching chat and everyone's just going die, 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 die. Seems a little negative, a little rude. So what should we call it? Let's call it dead. Now let's put hashtags in the commands now too. So Twitch controller. We're going to put hashtags in these commands. I never actually implemented the command system that Dan sent me, now that I think about it. So it's going to be hashtag dead. Instead of die, it's dead. And we have a new one too. We could do hashtag clap. Do we have something else that we did? We added clap and sit, which you can't really do those. Sergio, thank you for the follow. So we're gonna add a new state here. We're gonna call this clapping. Then we go to the animator. Clapping, and you clap. We basically just have a Reaper alt sound clip play if we get 3 people in a row. That'd be cool. Die, die, die. Oh. Hashtag clap. Damn it, Quasi TV. Listen to your master. I broke it. It has to be in here. We should look at that asset he sent me. Yeah, this has to be dead. I have duplicate code basically, which is always bad. Potato! There we go. That was exclamation clap? No, it's hashtag. Hashtag for game stuff. The stupid looping thing is still happening also. I think it's only if you do it as your first thing, you get stuck in that state. Hashtag lay down. There's a lay down animation. It's hashtag dead now, guys. Hashtag dead. Oh, this person is stuck in the clapping state. Neville's gonna be clapping for the rest of his life. Oh, there he goes. Good now. Yeah, so the dead thing is doing this. It's causing them to repeat over and over. This seems to only happen if you spawn dying. I think it screws up some timer somewhere. Use the Easter egg minigame, identify the Kappa character. Hey, no cheat, how's it going? Why does it do that? Why does it... Something here. I think I have to set their next... I love the Ori theme song soundtrack so goddamn much. AI, stop moving, start coroutine, stop for time. Next thing equals time, stop for time. Something is causing them to switch states and then loop back to their death animation. Hashtag pretend it's a feature. It looks so bad. Okay. Hashtag dead. Find myself. Is this me? Yep, that's Quasi TV. We're gonna move me away because you got all of you guys about to spawn into the game. And then we're gonna follow my states over here, which you guys can't see because it's behind my head. You can probably, yeah, we're following this right here, current state. And we're watching that. So he's dead. And of course, when we're watching him, he stays dead. Of course. Of course, now there's no bug. And everyone's dead. Oh my god, it's awesome. They're dead and people come in and are just clapping behind them. That's hilarious. What we could try is this. It's kind of a hack. Super hack, obviously. We can try this. On Twitch state dead. We're going to say if new state equals dead, then AI.enabled equals false. And this.enabled equals false. Can we just turn off our states? Oh, an animator also. Animator .enabled equals false. Okay. Well, we didn't give it a chance to play the animation, so whoops. Nope, it didn't work. It's still looping. Don't know what makes it loop. So we grab it right now. NPC. That's this guy. This is someone who's dying. Current state is dead. The actor and animator is enabled. See, when I watch them, they don't do it. God damn. When I watch them, they don't do it. You have X8 set on loop? I'm not sure. What is the countdown leak tech? Game Jam. Quasi Jam 7. It's the seventh in a series of game jams we do here on stream. Oh, I see. It's a coroutine. Yeah. I think... No. So we do game jams here on stream. We try to do them around once a month. The 7th one is happening this weekend, Friday to Monday. We're all going to be stopping whatever we're working on. We're going to be pausing Convention Tycoon, and we're going to make a brand new game in 48 to whatever, 56 hours, however long it takes. I'm going to be streaming some of my development. People in chat are going to get together and make their own games. Some people get together and make teams. So if you've never made a game before, it's a great time to make a game in an environment where you can ask questions and be making games with other people too. If you've made games before, it's a great time to practice and come up with new ideas, which is what I'm excited about. Kin attack. Cube dudes, it is, yeah. Is that set the loop? No, yeah, we turned off looping. It has no exit and enter states. So they have no like states to leave any animation even. Like die is just die, it doesn't loop. I thought enabling it would work, disabling this components would work, but I don't know what's causing it. It's not the current state. Then what is it? Oh, is it the time? I wonder, is it? Let's try this. War current state equals dead. Is it the speed? Looking forward to watch. Awesome, Elite Tech. Are you going to take part, maybe? If you guys want more information about the jam, voting for the jam theme is live right now. So if you're going to take part in the jam, please consider voting. You can see all the information on our itch.io page. That's where we'll be submitting your games so I can play them on Monday as well. How are you streaming now and where from, Cowroy? My friend Mark Zorn, who hangs out in chat sometimes, actually lent me his desktop for the last 5 days. So tonight I have to give it back. I'm still in my bedroom. There's my green, my green screen is here, light and stuff are here. But he actually lent me his desktop, which is super awesome, super powerful, which is why the stream looks so much better the last couple of days. But tonight I have to give it back to him. It's his gaming PC. He already lent it to me for almost a week. So Friday we're gonna figure it out. I'm gonna see if I could find a public space where I could stream from, maybe use their computer. So I might have a little bit of a special outdoorsy stream on Friday. So we'll see what happens. I have to leave my house. That's kind of scary. That's a little scary. Oh. Looking good so far. Yeah, I think I know what it is. I think it's when someone pushes you. I think when your speed changes, that's what was looping the animation. I think. Looks like hashtag's dance didn't work. Did you reorder the themes? Reorder the themes? It randomizes each time. Why I type giveaway when I meant game jam? Too tired? You have games in your lap? Awesome, simulation. Looks like dance/dance isn't working anymore. Stream from your house, I'm just down the road from here. You know Seattle. I'll come, Devin. That would be awesome. Can I? I'm a 3D modeler, so my skills in coding are really bad, and I use Unreal for the game dev part. Sadly say, sorry, I don't think I can make a game within 2 days. Hey, no worries, dude. No worries. It's all good. 3D modeling in Unreal is freaking awesome. Hey, this guy's naked! This guy's naked! This guy's naked. Alright, I think we're good. I think I figured out what the bug was. It was the speed. When someone pushes you, your rigid body moves, which increases your speed. So looking for spoilers, Vandy? Spoilers? Oh, to the themes. Not here next week in London. Whoa, that's awesome, Ace9. What's a good game to start my game dev career? The question is, do you mean what's a good type of game to start learning how to make games, or it's a good type of game to start your actual career in publishing commercial games? Which one do you mean? There's two very different answers for those. Speaking of things that are going on next week, guys, TwitchCon is next week. Twitch freaking con, where I'm on a panel. TwitchCon schedule. Next week, I'm flying out to San Diego to speak at the Twitchest of all cons. We're actually going to another convention to take even more research about TwitchCon. Let's find the schedule here. What's up, DJ? Do I have a character, Skyfox? Yeah, if you talk in chat, you're in the game. Just keep talking to find your character. Where's the game dev one? Game dev. There we go. There's a link for it. The link address? There we go. Check it out, guys. Next week, I will be in San Diego at TwitchCon, which is going to be amazing. Make sure you watch the show. I'll be sure to host it up on our stream. The talk is on Friday at 4 p.m. I don't know if this is Pacific or Eastern. I guess Pacific time. So that's going to be 7 p.m. Eastern time. Make sure to host up Twitch. They're going to be streaming the entire panel, so you guys can watch me make a fool of myself. It'll be great. Commercial games is something I have to figure out myself. Okay, cool. Then a great way to start making great place to start making games is a space shooter, a brick breaker game, even tic-tac-toe is a nice place to start. Just really, really simple. I think one of the early things there was tic-tac-toe. Simple Pac-Man-like game is a really great place to start. Something really tiny and simple, and it's already been made. Don't worry about a game you have to design. Just remake something that's already been made that's really, really small. Just to learn how to use your engine, your tools, your codes, etc. You heard voices. I don't know. Who typoed that in? I know, right, Devin? Seriously. Pong. Always start with Pong. Pong's a good place to start, yeah. I never actually made Pong myself. Call hashtag dead flop because everybody does the flop. Pong is too easy? Damn, Jeffy. Did make the pipeline of how my program works from input to output. Nice, dude. All right, guys, I'm gonna grab a water. I'll be back in just a second. Oh, oh no, the BRB thing is gone. Damn it. All right, back in a sec. Don't go anywhere. True. I'm back. You think I died on the toilet? Oh my god, that would be awesome. Who can time that? Oh, it looks like hashtag dead doesn't work if you're on the toilet because I think it gets confused. If you're on the toilet, then it's not going to work. Interesting. I think the animation states are messed up. Whatever. Hashtag too real. Look what's crazy about this rig. We're running 121 people at 76 frames per second. And that's with all the effects turned on. What happens if we turn the effects off? Where's the camera? So right now AO is what really I think is driving down our frame rate, or I guess not. Doesn't make a difference. No reference exception for bloom? Oh, it's because it's an old bloom. Bloom. Oh, so much bloom. Grab a water, tells roommate to Rude, Vandy. I'm gonna play when I'm on the toilet. Alright, bloom is back. Frame rate is down. Why does this game render so poorly? Is it just too many rigged characters? Even on a computer like this, why is our frame rate so low? Surprising. It's real surprising. Do you think a jump and run is a good start? What's a jump and run? You mean like an endless runner where you're jumping? It's an okay start. I would still start even smaller than that if you've done nothing before. Leth, I have your panel on my schedule. Nice, dude. Do you mean this panel over here? For these 5 people? See, there's me. I'm the naked guy. That's Leth with the sweet, cool white hair. And here's Michael J. Calkins with his beautiful purple locks. And then coordinating the panel is, of course, Cowray TV with his cool side bangs. We got a farmer watching the panel. We've got a Birdman. Look at this Birdman watching the panel. Let's go look at this Birdman from close up. Hello, Birdman. You're a Birdman. Oh, you're a Twitch person, aren't you, Birdman? Nope, that's next to you. Oh, Shield guy's over here. Armor Barbarian. I started by copying this one-tap mobile game. This is a good place to start, too. What's up, DJ? How's it going? 850 draw calls? Yeah, I guess that's part of our problem. Where's the draw calls? Batches are, yeah, 800. Holy crap, 1,000. Is it? Damn. Damn. Maybe that's why our frame rate's so low. I don't know. I already have a little of experience. Something like Mario did Pong, for example, and worked a bit project. Something like Mario, sure. Yeah, platformer is always a good place to start. Just don't try to make it a whole platformer. I'm on the panel. I did not sign up for this. You're on every panel in this game. Whoa, this guy looks awesome. Look at that guy. Hey, I can't wait to add walking. I want to add walking. Hey, she's like an ice queen. Come back. Why am I going this way? Why am I following this guy to the not bathroom? What's the entire purpose, DJ? The premise of this game is that you're managing your own convention. So you decide who's going to show at your convention. You manage your guests, and you overall try to have a successful convention so you can make enough money to have an even bigger convention the next year. So it's all about planning out your convention, setting things in the right place, managing the experience of all of your little guests, and then starting your convention over again with a bigger location each time. Space Invaders, Asteroids is a good place to start. Yeah, hell yeah. Look at this panel, it's so popular. Everyone's loving left with white hair and me with my naked outfit. When will this game be done / available? Geekset? Not sure. It's only our 22nd day in the game. It's a little early to tell how long it's gonna, or when it's gonna come out. Ship it! You're right, Pulse. It's done. I'm done. I'm done. How do you lose? You lose when you go into debt. If you go too far into debt, if you lose too much money and you're too far into debt, then you game over and you have to stop your convention. So I'll probably pick some sort of threshold. If you're like 100 grand in debt or something, then the bank forecloses. You have to like file for bankruptcy and then you lose. Game over. Let's go see our beanbag. Oh, let's get our coffee stand. Uh-oh. Oh, the panel's there, that's why. Let's put a coffee stand right in front of the bathroom. So after you're done peeing, you can just grab a coffee. Gotta deliver the coffee. There it is, been delivered. Oh no! Look! Oh, I don't know if you guys can see this because there's so many people in here. When they're buying coffee, hold on, check this out. What about a food truck outside or inside for that matter? Yeah, it's a great idea. What's great about stuff like that is we already have the food system done, right? Making a shop that sells food. So no matter what we come up with, it's all about actually creating the assets for it, and then we can turn that into a food station. Look at this. So we just added sitting, right, for the first time. So when they go to buy coffee now, they're like, oh, I'm going to go buy some coffee. They sit down. I can't see anything with all these gizmos. I don't know. I guess you can't turn those off. They sit down on thin air to buy coffee because they think there's a chair there. Because we said, with our actor, we said when you go to an interaction point, set your state to sitting. We didn't consider that not every interaction point will be a sitting spot, right? This coffee stand is a standing spot. The toilet is technically a sitting spot, but they're not sitting on the toilet for some reason. Oh, because bathroom. We can actually make them sit on... Oh, they are sitting on the toilet. Oh, no way. Yeah, they're sitting on the toilet. What do you know? Those toilets are huge, though. So we need to tell our interaction points, hey, what kind of interaction is this? A sitting, standing, etc. I was talking myself just saying something to look around. Where is DJ? So let's go to interaction point. Let's close everything because it's way too much and I hate having that much stuff. Actor state is the enum we're looking for. So you've got idle, picked up, waiting, sitting, wandering, working, talking, waving, dancing, bathroom, drinking, clapping, heading, dead. So we're going to have a public actor state, state on enter. And the default is going to be sitting. They're walking to the bathroom walls. Yeah, we got to fix that in just a second. There should be con reviewers that come into your convention, review your convention, depending on their stats when they leave, decides how many people come to your convention. Yeah, absolutely, Jeffy. What I want is that after every convention, you get like, it's kind of like Game Dev Tycoon, you get like the reviews for your game or for your convention. Like these guys said this, these guys said that. Yeah, that's a great idea. So this is gonna be the state to be on enter. So let's go find where we set sitting. Here on move to seat, we're saying actor.current state equals sitting, and that's the problem we have. Looks like we don't even have What's target seat? This is an interaction point. So let's make move to seat have to be an interaction point. We move to the seat, and then we say actor.current state equals seat dot state on enter. What about fireman that controls the amount of people that are inside? Yeah, we have a max limit of people that can be in the building. Right now it's kind of high, and it probably should be even lower than what it is, to be honest. Basically every location has a set number. Right now it's hard coded, or it's like set in the inspector, but every location has a set number of people that can ever spawn, and that includes employees. So if you let too many people into your convention, where do we have max? Oh, I think it's on the NPC spawner. If you let too many people into your convention, then you can't actually hire more employees because you have no room for them. So I think this place is probably max like 85 people. That's even a lot. Let's just say 50, because it's getting pretty crowded. It's making you sleepy, Potato. Wake up! Have some coffee. All right. What do we just do? Oh yeah, we have to set now. Coffee stand. Coffee stand. We'll want to find it here actually. This interaction point is going to be idle. Now they'll stand when they buy coffee, but they'll sit when they visit booths and panels and chairs. Fireman busts in with axes and starts talking, taking people out if you go over the limit. That's not how the real world works. You just get a ticket or something, isn't it? Oh no, they're going to try to sit in the ball pit. It's going to be awesome. And I'll put a coffee stand right here in front of the toilet. Okay, coffee's been delivered. Panel is ready, so they're sitting at the panel. And now they should stand at the coffee. Hey, how come he didn't get one? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, crap. Damn it. Crap. They're not waiting to buy their stuff. So I think that's hard-coded to sitting. Yeah, hold on. Why don't you use vector 2 to store the minimum and maximum spawn rate, since you can't just access it by Y and X? Because the minimum is always 0. I don't need a minimum. Haystein feels ignored? Why do you feel ignored? Who else wants to alpha test this game to find bugs and quasi-derps? I know, Haystein, soon, I promise. It's not in a playable state yet, right? Right now it's still just a tech demo where you can put stuff down and pick stuff up. It's still in a playable state, and I'm trying so hard to get there. I want to grind as much as I can. I really wanted to get it playable by TwitchCon, but my computer breaking made it really difficult to work on the game off stream. It's super, super annoying, but we're going to get to a playable state, hopefully as soon as possible. Okay, so let's say public bool is at station. So all these sittings, this is going to be if actor dot is at station. This is going to be bool sitting equals return actor dot is at station. What is this used for? Nothing. Go away. Nobody wants you here. So it's only used here for the animation, there for that. Okay. So I was using the wrong state to track whether or not somebody was actually doing something in the AI. Work harder on stream. I'm trying, Haystein. I'm trying. All right. See if they buy the coffee now. If not, I might need to give you a boost. You can like throw me over your shoulder. That'd be awesome. You have two variables in the game state manager saying min spawn rate and max spawn rate. Oh, do I? Might be outdated stuff. Let's see. NPC spawner. Min. Oh, this is min spawn delay and max spawn delay. Yeah, it could be a vector 2, but it's a little bit confusing, right? Saying it in the inspector. It's more clear if someone wants to change this variable and say it's not me or even me myself down the road. It's clearer to look at this and say min is 3 and max is 6 than say a vector 2 where it's having to remember that that's for min and max, right? So this is a little bit more clearer. So clean code. Does he actually? Yeah, now he does. That's true. I've been in it. Damn it. Okay, she did buy a coffee. She didn't wait to... We're not waiting to... What? Was it? Was it? What the hell? They're walking away. And then a coffee is spawning in their hands? God damn it, AI. Oh, I know what it is. So interaction points has this state on enter. So here I forgot to say, is that station equals true? Actor is that station equals true, and then on ride ended. Actor.is that station equals false. Right? Or when did it switch them back to idle mode? I don't actually know. Shoots Quasi with Ana's alt with an alt. Alright, let's try this again. Coffee stand. Speed time. Alright, stand. There you go. Take a sip, and walk away, you idiot. There you go. Take a sip. Take a sip. Take a sip. Take a sip. There you go. Alright. I do want them to be... Funny, I want them to be in the... I think I have a... Oh, you know what we could do? The coffee stand. God, there are so many items in this scene. Coffee stand. Close. There's another thing to like mass close everything. Oh, there's. Coffee stand. Props. So I think there's a talking, or is it waving, dancing, bathroom, drinking, clapping, talking. Can we set them to talking and then they'll talk to the coffee person? Did I actually make it good enough to do that? Yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! I really want some coffee now, Strife. I got some right here. This is awesome. Look, they talk now. They're like, I would like a tall iced mocha latte. I don't know why they do that twice though. That's kind of annoying. They actually make it good enough, the story of my life. That's a bug. The double drink thing is a bug, or whatever. It's better than nothing. Next, we're going to fix the bathroom. Everyone's walking through the bathroom. That's because we never rebaked the nav mesh. So that's easy enough. We just need to open up these... Do we need to open up these floors? I forget how this works. I think I need to turn these floors on, because they're special floors. And then turn this on. Window. Navigation. And then bake. There we go. And now the toilets are not ignored. What the hell? Toilet inspector is static. Box collider. It's just not, it's not in the ground. The toilets are floating. The toilets are floating. Let's remove, can't that because it's an item. Okay, it's fine. Okay, let's do that. And I think a toilet, yeah, it's a, we're going to shrink these. Oh, they're separate. They're not separate meshes. Oh, they are. Sweet. We're going to shrink these toilets down. Try to bake the floor again. There we go. And now it avoids those guys. Bake. Hide these floors. He also wants sugar? Who wants sugar? It's cute looking things, Dice Goddess. We got cute little toilets now too. Can we choose where to put a toilet, Hastein? Nope, not in this game, no. So I don't want to make this one of the Tycoon games where you can just be like, oh, I'm going to put a bathroom over here and then there's going to be a thing over here, because that to me isn't what conventions are all about, right? Conventions are about the actual convention and you have to live within certain constraints. Like if you have to rent out a room that has toilets in the outside with no walls, that's just the reality of your convention. You can't like build toilets in a convention. So yeah, I want to try to keep, at least for now, that's my design philosophy, is I don't want you able to like place unrealistic things in your convention, like toilets, and rooms and walls and stuff like that. You can't build structures. You can only put stuff within the structure that exists already. He wants sugar in his coffee. That's why he talks twice. They're still walking through the toilets. What the F? Because they're trying to walk behind the toilets. Okay, maybe it's time to... Not that one. This toilet and the furthest toilet. I'm going to put these against the wall. Okay, and then we'll make a room real quick. Nope, not how it works. Create 3D object, a cube. That fear of video games crashing. Oh no, can I get a caramel mocha latte with butterscotch and coffee bean drizzle with whipped cream and an extra shot, please? Sorry, we only serve glasses of cow. That's it. Glasses of cows. That's all we serve. I'm sorry, sir. That's all we serve. A wall. Another wall. Breaks down door. What up? What's up, Bucket Size Kitsune? Jasmine, how's it going? Long time no see. Ghosts everywhere? Jiffla, how's it going? We can put up those movable walls. Yeah, maybe that'll be a feature later on. I'm not gonna do that right now because it's not really something I've needed for the game. But yeah, you won't be able to build structures, but maybe they'll have like, you know, temporary walls you can build at some point. High fences with black cloths over it. Well, that's what the boots have. Yeah, you can put down wall. You'll be able to put down like little pieces of walls. Yeah, for sure, like cloth walls and like con-like things. Time to create a level editor? This game is pretty much a level editor, yeah. I don't want to do. Do I kiss you? Just take your order? What? Speaking about the placement in certain areas. Yeah, totally, Jam Jar. I agree. So this is gonna be like that. And then one more. Okay, bathroom, hooray! And need this material. Put that on this wall, and this wall, and this wall. And make these guys static so they bake into the mesh. And then rebake our nav mesh. There we go. So they'll avoid those walls. Starting on voice work and getting my name out there. Nice! Anything you can talk about, or is it all secret stuff? So you can create venues quickly instead of using boxes and stretching them to become walls. Yeah, well, that's not how you create venues in this game. All the venues will be already pre-made for you. So you never have to... in the original version I made is you could drag boxes and stuff. I decided that was really annoying to have to do. Because the problem with this game is you have to keep building your convention over and over and over. It's very repetitive. So yeah, most of the things you make, you just outright put them down. They'll all be pre-made for you. The thing about conventions is you don't really decide what goes inside of a booth. The vendors actually decide. You can just give them their pre-made stuff. So yeah, a lot of it will be pre-made. Even panels and stuff are going to be pre-made like this. So one bathroom, are you just assuming everyone's gender? Yeah, it's unisex bathroom. Move the pillar from the bathroom to the other side of the wall so it's outside the bathroom. I think that'll look better. I don't care. This is not an actual level in the game. This is just a crappy room we put together and then crappy bunch of stuff we put together. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. We don't really care about any of this. It's just to make sure things are working the way we want to. In fact, this is already annoying because it's cutting off my space for testing stuff. We probably should have put that panel in here. You also can't delete stuff, I realized. Currently, there's no way to delete something you put down. You're committed to it once you do. Why can't I select this? I can select the booth, but I can't select the panel? Oh, there we go. The colliders on the panel seem messed up. I was thinking of you as a developer. It would save time. What would save time? Using bosses for them to become walls. Oh, yeah, this is not how we're going to make levels. Again, this is, yeah, we're just doing this to make a separate bathroom thing. This is not how we'll actually make levels in the game. This, like, this room here was modeled in Maya. Pizza and Quasi for lunch sounds good. Ooh, I would be a delicious lunch. Instead of delete, it would be undo? Yeah. Or remove or whatever. We're going to add some more chairs to this panel. Somehow we're going to teach the AI that you can't just like stand in front of a panel like that. It's very rude. Very rude. I also realized these chairs aren't cutting out of the nav mesh. So let's go look at that. So a booth chair is going to need a nav mesh obstacle, which it has. It needs to carve out of the nav mesh where it spawns. Is undo bind hard to create? Not really. We did it in Haunted House Tycoon. You basically just have to keep track of every action you do in the game, and then not do that action, or like, you know, recycle that object and go backwards one step. You kind of keep like a, was it a stack we used, right? And then you just keep track of everything you've done for a certain limit, right? And then you push things out when you get to that limit. And then when you undo, you just find the last thing you did, you delete whatever it was and all that stuff. It gets a little bit complicated further down, but in terms of just placing items, it's pretty easy. They're looking the other way. Oh no, you're right. Let's see. I did notice that and I totally didn't pay attention. Which one was it? Was that in a booth or a panel? So I'm curious to see the navigation. Okay, cool. It's carving those chairs out and those chairs out, which is great. The nav obstacle is huge. I can fix that. The people are sitting in the chairs wrong. I was like, these guys are all good. These guys are good. I think I know what it was. I think it was someone trying to walk through the chair and they couldn't. There are a couple of things that are hush hush. I'm recording today for Mass Effect Andromeda voiceover event. Nice! That's awesome. Congrats. So people don't select the chair properly. Oh, I read that already. Can you send the link from your sketches that you draw on stream? Yeah. Will we unlock more stuff if we get further into the game, like MK2 pizza and stand with 2 interaction points and sellers? Yeah, totally, Haystein. Like the more money you'll make, the more you'll be able to, or the further you get, there'll probably be like an experience level or something for your convention. And then, yeah, the higher level it is, you'll unlock things like better food, better guests, better booths, bigger booths, better venues, more marketing dollars, stuff like that. In the beginning, you won't have all those things. Who would have thought that I used Minecraft as a voxel modeler? Really? That's interesting. You actually use Minecraft to model your voxels. So what do we need to fix? Oh yeah, the chairs. Booth chair. This prefab model. The nav mesh is messed up. Or the nav obstacle is messed up. Yeah, it's like over there. Reset. Boom. And then just squish it. And squish it. And raise it. And bop it. And pull it. And twist it. And pull it. MK means Mortal Kombat. Oh. Mortal Kombat pizza? What's Mortal Kombat 2 pizza? Okay, so now they actually avoid the chairs in the panel. Right? So no one tries to walk over the chairs. But they will walk in front of the chairs like jerks. That's gonna be interesting to like teach the AI when it comes to like behaving. Like look, they're like walking all over the NPCs and stuff. Like, no, I'm teaching this panel. I'm talking on this panel now. You're not talking on this panel, I'm talking on this panel. It means Mark, you read the wrong. Oh, Mark 2, yeah, Mark 2 pizza, totally. Panel, just gotta fix the obstacle here. is this guy. We want to fix the Z. So it goes all the way to the back of the panel. Now the problem is then the panelist can't actually walk up to it, which is why it's like this. So we're going to need like special nav areas and make the chair nav mesh a little bit bigger and into the front of the chair. It is in the front of the chair. You guys gotta skip backseat game deving. It doesn't. I mean, so they won't walk in front of people. Yeah, but you mean this. But the thing is, none of this matters now because they're still gonna walk like right up to it, no matter how far I put it. The thing is, if I put it too far, then the NPC can't actually walk up to the chair and sit down. They'll get stuck because they need to actually walk up to the chair to sit themselves down. So if this nav mesh comes too far, or if the nav obstacle comes too far out here, then when this guy tries to walk up to his chair, he's either going to have to walk up behind it, but he won't be able to walk up in front of it anymore. Because they have to get a certain distance to the chair before they can actually sit down at it. So that's stuff more to worry about when we have better pathfinding. For now, I've been meaning to do this for a long time in the panel. Let's actually do it. Chair. Oh, that's not that. This is the panel. Yeah, why aren't the icons showing? Oh, I shrunk the gizmos down. There we go. So, what? Town. I'm locking this town. How do you not select something anymore? So annoying. So let's finally put some rows of chairs. About good. Now, why couldn't I click on it? Was it the angle? The collider looks fine. I think it's almost too big. Is it because it wasn't high enough? I was trying to click on the panel and I couldn't. It was very annoying. Did you see a ball pit? Hell yeah, you did. This is our convention. This is our ball pit convention. It's got hundreds of people. Only one ball pit. It's the best convention. Oh, look, they actually sit down in the ball pit now. It's awesome. We should have them get in the ball pit and then they do like a dance or something. Just have them clapping. Oh my god, that'd be really easy to do actually. Where's the ball pit? Because remember we just made that system so we could define what action you do once you get inside of a ride. So we just set all of our interaction points here to do clapping. Bless this. And then we put a ball pit down. Now when someone gets in the ball pit, they just clap. They just clap. Ball to ball pit move when a person enters? No, they're rocks. We can't do anything like that because it's gonna be too much physics for the game. We can barely handle all these NPCs walking around. Yay, I'm in a ball pit, yay. They also teleport out of their seats, which is kind of annoying. They need to like smooth out of their seats. But it's because they're getting thrown out of the nav agent. Is your game gonna have an artist alley? Totally, Dice, yeah. I actually want to make my first artist booth maybe today. Wait, let's take a look at the list of things. Which I don't even know if I have up anymore. Let's go take a look at our to-do list. I did want to work on an artist booth soon so you could actually buy art merch. You need to have balls come out every time someone gets out. Then you need someone that their only job is to go around and pick up all the balls and return them to the pit. Come on, Google Drive. Where are you at? Okay, recent. Convention Tycoon. You really want to see it? See what, Cal, right? So, oh, that's Skyhook list. Well, we're still procrastinating on, and I'm gonna regret this later. We're still procrastinating on creating panels, right? Because we still don't have all of this stuff made. This is what we were working on last time. Is defining the panels in your convention. So still on our to-do list. It's still very important. But see what's happening? The stupid AI is trying to walk between the chairs. God damn it. God damn it. Why are you so dumb? You don't fit. You're too big. Even our stupid hauler is like, I can't get through. I can't get through to the thing to deliver. Oh, I forgot. Crates should be carryables. So we have a definition on all of our objects. So delivery crate. There's a how to hold. We have in hand and in front. So it should be in front. How you build that booth? Oh, it's not gonna be anything special. Or I actually don't even have Maya here, so we'll probably have to make it out of cubes. Mayonnaise is actually not an instrument. Scientists have done some extensive studies on that. You should fire the person who programmed the bots. Make a button that makes everyone die at once. Why would I do that? NPCs. First environment model. Actor inventory. We worked on inventory already. So we have inventory working. We need to do thoughts. And we did activity. We need to do thoughts. We did hiring. I haven't tracked this list in a while. We need to do item details, and creating shows is what we really need to do. I assume this is 100% accurate. Yeah, it is. Ask anybody who's been to a convention. It's just like Convention Tycoon. So you can see like our boots are actually made up of floating TVs.
Mr. Macy's,
These aren't even like on a stand. What's up, Haystein? Fix AI. You complain every stream. Fix it. I can't. Because fixing AI is going to require rewriting our pathfinding and the AI and stuff like that. So it's too soon for that. There's no point in fixing the AI because we don't have the gameplay in there yet. The AI works for what it needs to do. The people walk around, it shows what the game is supposed to be like. They visit their booths, etc., etc., etc. There's no point in trying to polish the AI so soon. At least not in my opinion. I could make the greatest AI in the game, and then the game could end up sucking, and then it's great AI for no reason. Let's see that you have no mods in the chat is so nice. Everyone is so cool in the stream. Thanks, Kyra. Yeah, people are pretty chill on #GameDev. I love it. And every now and again, you have some jerks like DJG and Haystein that show up. We just gotta wait for them to leave, and then they go away. So staff. We have that already. Okay, so we'll do an artist boot. So we have inventory now. So you can see here's Bramby, and he owns a badge. So we can have him own like a print, or merch, or hoodie, or whatever. We can make a merch store maybe, or we can make an art store. They're the same exact thing. They're all just shops. Bram turns 18 tomorrow. No way, dude. That's awesome. Remind me on Fridays I could draw your birthday card, Bram. That's freaking awesome. Because pretty much merch stores and artist alleys and stuff, for now they're all coffee stands, right? Coffee stand is a super generic system. Same with the pizza shop. They're just super generic systems for allowing users to buy items from an NPC. In 2 hours to be exact. Dude, happy early birthday. We mods love getting to lurk. Yeah, hell yeah. Creative Signal gives me salty folks. It's been nice so far, yeah. We've had really good luck with hammer that box. We've had really good luck with kind of the community on creative. And that's because most of the people who are coming to creative are probably also creative, and so they're interested in the stuff. And less interested in the trolling. And don't get me wrong, we get our trolls every now and again. That's always a fun time. Where's the pizza delivery? I need more haulers. Quick, hire some haulers. More haulers. Let's get a security guard in here. Oh my god, is the security guard gonna go in the ball pit? Yes. Yes, she is. Oh, the security guard's in the ball pit. Oh, she was done. That was fast. Very short-lived. Are there going to be celebs in the game, and how do you recognize them? Icon above their heads. You are going to invite celebrities, yeah. Maybe they'll have like a special aura. I don't think I'm going to do too many icons above the head because it gets really noisy. The Twitch thing is just for Twitch. Maybe for like very special guests, they might have an icon above their head. But they'll probably just have like a circle or an aura around them. Or they might just have nothing and you just kind of see them roll around. The cool thing about being at a convention is when like Markiplier or PewDiePie is walking around, you don't always notice them. Unless, like when someone does notice them, then a huge crowd exists, right? But if they put on like shades and a hoodie or whatever to walk around, you don't really notice them because they're like in such crowds of people. But as soon as someone does, and they mob them and stuff. Yeah, the people with Twitch chat and the Twitch logo above their heads is you guys. So here's Toja, there's Bramby, there's Frank. Who else do we got? There's Toja again. There's Virenz, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This looks cool. Thanks, Virenz. Looks like you were holding a badge, a tall coffee, and a pizza combo. You're getting greedy. This guy's like, he's holding a coffee in one hand and floating the pizza in front of him in the other hand because he has nowhere to sit. And I bet you he's going to try to drink his coffee while holding onto the pizza. But probably not because he's holding the pizza, so he's just wandering around. It'd be great if he was to sip the coffee while holding the pizza. Oh yeah, there's a max limit now, so I guess if it gets more than 50, then you guys aren't spawning. Yep, we're at 96. Wait. Oh, it's because I hired the haulers. The haulers don't care about the limit, I think. Oh yeah, they do. So what the hell? What's up with the limit? NPC spawner. Max spawn is 50. How did I get to 96? Maybe Twitch chat ignores the rules? I'm not sure. Let's say it's 100. Make them send the floor to those spots. Yeah, that's definitely something I want to work on in the future. Absolutely. Speaking of Tycoon has made my day. My last con was at RTX and I'm prepping for Katsucon in February next year. Awesome, Jasmine. That's so cool. Yeah, this game came out of the idea that I wanted to experience conventions when I'm not at conventions. Show hook for the Skyer characters. Yeah, I want to do Skyer cosplay as a character for sure. This is somebody swimming around the ground like a shark. I think the one was dead and still sliding like he was walking. No way. That'd be awesome. Ooh, new hairstyle. Look at this cool spiky Super Saiyan hairstyle. Is someone sliding around like they're a dead body? Because that would be epic. Okay. Back to work. We were going to work on an artist shop, and we were going to work on... Oh, you can't walk between panels. That's what we're going to fix. Cannot walk between panels. Basically, all we have to do is make these chairs. Booth chairs. We want them to touch each other. So I think if... I guess we just make them closer together, like in a real panel. I think something like this will solve our problem. Maybe too close. It's hard when you can't actually see the thing. Oh, just about right. I don't think they're dumb enough to try to walk through that. What do you guys think? Let's find out. See, there's a bug with that. It doesn't save prefabs properly when you delete stuff, which is fair. All right, item, panel. See, can you guys walk? Don't try to walk through the chairs. Nobody walk. Hauler, walk around the chairs. No, you can't fit. Oh, no, that was fine for you. Nope, they're trying to walk through the chairs. I don't get it. Let's look at the navigation settings. I think it's in NPC. Where do you set? Nav mesh agent. Speed, radius. Is their radius just really tiny that they think they can fit? They've got a bit of a radius. High quality, obstacle avoidance, pathfinding, angular speed, stopping distance, base offset, height. What is it that makes it think agent height, agent radius? Oh, is this wrong? Does this have to be like the same as this? No, actually no. Big? Oh wait, I forgot the 2 floors. Don't I have like a hide on play? There could be an Easter egg in the ball pit. The skyhook shark. That would be awesome. Can you just make the mesh bigger so that the box where they aren't allowed to walk is bigger? That green wireframe thingy that's beneath the chair now? I can, but I don't want to do that because that's kind of hacky, right? Because that means everywhere I put a chair, there's going to be a space around the chair that you can't walk. When that's not really true, you can walk right next to a chair. So I'm trying to make it. We want to actually fix the problem with it. I'm trying to see if we can fix the problem with it. If we can't, then we'll just switch back and do it that way. We'll hack it. But we want to actually fix the problem because they're trying to walk through all the small gaps that they can't walk through in the first place. What was this clip? You're holding a bag, a tall coffee, and a pizza combo. You're getting greedy. This guy's like, he's holding a coffee in one hand and floating the. Talking about the pizza, the dude swims around. Oh, you have a clip of the dude swimming around. And I bet you he's gonna try to drink his coffee while holding onto the pizza. Where is he? Probably not, because he's holding the pizza. I don't see him. And I bet him in the other hand. Holding a coffee in one. You're getting greedy. This guy's like, he's holding a coffee in one hand. Where is it? And floating the pizza in front of him in the other hand. Because he has nowhere to sit. And I bet you he's going to try to drink his coffee while holding onto the pizza. Probably not, because he's holding the pizza. So he's just... Oh my god! There he goes! That's awesome. I'm not changing that. We are not going to fix that. That is perfect. I don't see why we would ever make that. We would ever fix that. That is the greatest thing I've ever seen in my life. Why would we ever fix that? That is amazing. What convention with more levels? Will it be escalators and stuff? Yeah, absolutely. Once we figure out multi-level pathfinding, we'll have escalators and we'll have to hide and show different floors and stuff. That's like all way further down the road. Floor, bake. How to recreate? I don't know. I almost don't want to know. Just want it to happen when it's meant to happen. It was like he was being pushed. He might have been being dragged by somebody, right? It looked like somebody was kicking him around. No, he's pretty far from anybody else. Maybe this person's pushing him? Oh, I think so. I think that person behind is... I don't know. She's pretty far away. I don't think so. Glitches music, we'll call it a feature? Hell yeah. Well, this stuff, #play and #dead, isn't like what we're really worried about. We're not going to spend time debugging Twitch stuff because it just takes away from actual development of the game. Marketing different ticket prices with different perks? Yeah. Yeah. All that stuff. That's where that's the stuff you'll be doing in this menu, setting your ticket price and setting your marketing budget, which will affect how many people come to your convention and stuff. Quasiception. Can you run the profiles for CPU and GPU? I want to see what's using the CPU and GPU. Can I run the profile? Not right now. Developing. I'm not sure what you mean. You want to see what scripts are using my CPU? You want to profile my game for me, Virons? Let's go to our panel. People, nope, still trying to walk through. Yeah, still trying to walk through. Super frustrating. Let's check our nav mesh. Oh, it's not carving. God damn it. It's not carving in the first place. That would make sense. It'd be a good reason for it not to work. Booth chair needs to be static. And, oh, carve. This needs to be applied. Okay, and there we go. You saw that? They beautifully just walked around the chairs. Everyone's just walking around the chairs. No one's walking into the chairs. So instead of trying to hack the nav, we actually fixed it. And now the chairs are too close together because their heads are... These guys are like rubbing cheeks. Nutella! Oh my god, jealous GT. You rub cheeks to watch this convention. Well, there's a naked person. The only thing I have to do all the time is go and delete all the naked people. Naked. Naked, 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 naked. Delete. Naked people come with the asset, so I just delete them every time I re-import the asset. Let's spread out those chairs again. So we're gonna say boop. Let's go a little bit further apart. Just a little bit of breathing room. Let's rub cheeks. Let's do it. Bring your cheek over here. I'll rub your cheeks with you. What cheeks? Alright, there we go. That's better. Is that enough space? Probably not. Why is my snap setting so high? Snap settings. Move X and Y. I don't know. 0.5? There we go. That's better. (10x12) panel. Where the hell is it bigger? One more row. One more row. Oops, that's one more chair. And a boom shakalaka. 2 more rows just to test? Yeah, that's what we're doing. Oops. See, can people get inside? No. And the rows are not far apart enough because they can't navigate into it. And then that's happening. Just want to be in the convention. Please. We're going to delete one of these. Let's try that, I guess. A couple made it into their seats. I don't know. Sheer force. Second chair and second row was filled. Yeah, I don't know how he got in there. Wait, they're not trying to get in the other... Oh, they are. Oh, no. I don't know why they're all crowding around the front like that. Let's give them something else to do, so that they don't all crowd this one booth. And there should be a nice distribution. Or not. Everyone just goes to the booth. So the problem is once more people start coming in, they can't get around each other. It's filling up at least. Huh, interesting. Let's see what's going on here. Oh god, look at all these eye locators. So many eye holes. Maybe we should delete the middle row to make some walking space. Oh, maybe. See, that's almost something I wish I could make the player do too, right? Like you could actually set the chairs in your panel yourself. Question is, are these seats working right? Current actor is none, and this one. See, I don't think... Yeah, I had a feeling there was a problem. It looks like this chair doesn't know someone's in it. So they're all rushing the same chairs. What's up, Drinkler? You go to interaction point? What's going on? Why is my current actor getting set? On actor enter, start ride, on actor leave. Move to seat, target seat. Dot on actor enter. Let's try with a booth and see what's going on. Heard of Project Zomboid? It's a Lua-based game. I mean, the mods are Lua-based. I have not. What is it about? We're gonna put a booth. Now, is this chair occupied is the question. Here's a chair. And yeah, NPC is set. Okay. So people don't really crowd the inside of the booths. I guess sometimes they do, which is rude, but that actually does happen. People will just walk through booths and stuff at conventions, right? Oh, some Jurassic Park. So that looks cool. Now if we put down a panel. See, it looks like everyone's... What's the problem here? It looks like they're all rushing unavailable seats. Ah, I think I know what it is. So I think what happens is, so now look, it's all filling up, which is great. So I think what's happening is, the way a player navigates to a seat is they say, hey, panel, I want a seat. Let me get one. And the panel says, okay, you can have one. And then the player walks up to the panel. Once they get to the seat, they say, oh crap, it's full. I'm just going to stand here. And more players are doing that over and over and over and over while other players are taking their seats, thus making them create these mosh pits. And now they can't leave because the other players are in their way and so they're all trapped. Now I'm wondering, see, look how nice and peaceful this booth is. It's peaceful and quiet. Chaos! Chaos in the panels. I've never actually been to a convention. Are you serious, Elmer? You've had your stuff sold there? That's really funny. So I think what we'll do, let's see, how can we rethink that? So, so I did this logic based on booths, which the layout is more designed for people can just walk up to it and stand here. But panels, the chairs are all the way over there. So you don't want to walk up there. So I think what a panel needs... Yes, staff managing the popular panels, you wouldn't have this problem. I know. I mean, I would have a different problem. I'd have to somehow figure out a way to code staff to actually manage NPCs. You're still at Gen Con. Cool. Never been to any. You should go. They're fun. It's like a herd of cattle when you give them a... So we're going to create a new item here. Sorry, a new element. We're going to give it an icon. That icon is going to be this... No, I don't want it to be that. It's going to be this spinny replay button. That's going to be here. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah. No, it's going to be here. And we're going to call this the entrance, for lack of a better term. And what we're going to do is, for bigger... Actually, for everything, even booths, we'll give them an entrance. For stations in general, they'll have an entrance. And that'll be the player's target to go to. Once they get to the entrance, which is not actually, there's no entrance there, they'll then decide where they want to go in the booth, what seat they want to get to. This way, we can, in the future, this will probably help us, I hope, actually do line management, right? So you can actually draw lines, make lines for your characters to stand in. It's great going and selling your artwork in Artist Alley. Probably one of my favorite things to do. I've never done it. I've always wanted to. I've sold my game, or yeah, I've actually literally sold my game at conventions. At Boston Fig, Boston Festival of Indie Games, we actually sold Steam keys for Skyhook. That was a lot of fun. I always wanted to sell art. That'd be cool. It would be better to make the panel with only 4 chairs, give the ability to the player to buy new chairs, like placing himself. Yeah, I think so, Victor. For now, though, this is much easier for us to test with. We don't have to keep doing that every single time. We want to make sure the panels are working properly. But I do, after doing it for a while, it'd be cool if the player had the ability to draw the chairs out themselves. I totally agree. Especially because there is a cost to each chair. I know you mentioned having to work with what you've got. Do you plan on including anything like curtains or dividers to direct AI flow? Yeah, totally. So we have them here. We can actually just make this an item if we wanted to. Actually, we could literally do it. Yeah, so if we just took one of these, I'm going to take it out. So we can just turn this now into a divider item. So we gave it a nav mesh. Make it an item, so we have a nav mesh obstacle. So there's the obstacle, and then we make it an item. Now it's an item, and we'll call this item divider. The price will be $30. No sprite, highlight sprite label, I don't know what any of that means. It doesn't need to be built, or does it? It doesn't, it does not. And then we're gonna call this divider curtain. So my goal has been to try to make creating new items as easy as possible for me. It's a big lesson I learned from Skyhook was The easier you make it to add content to your game, the more content you'll be able to add. Which is, I know it's kind of obvious, but can you make it so a chair is assigned to an actor when they request, so they cannot ever get to a seat but have it already taken? Yes and no, Techno. So that is the case, but a chair is only assigned to an NPC once they get there, right? So it's not there's not given to them before they arrive, because that's not really how it works. Right? If a chair is empty and someone's walking up to it, you can just go and sit in it, like if you don't know they're walking up to it. So chairs do get occupied. Devin is occupied Boolean, which is a flag if someone's sitting down in them. Once someone's sitting down in them, no one will try to sit there anymore. So when you ask the booth for a chair, it goes through all of its chairs and looks for the ones that aren't occupied, then gives you a random one of those. I think the first one of those or something. So yeah, it doesn't know if the chairs are occupied. But I don't want to have, you can't walk to a chair that you can't walk to a chair that you know is occupied. But I don't want to be that you can't walk to a chair that's empty that someone might be occupying like a minute from now or 10 seconds from now. Good name, odd stream music. You think so, Game Dev Company? It's nice and epic. And oh yeah, divider. Where do you go? Divider curtain. So prefabs, items. Did I add it? Yep. So now I just put it in my resources folder. So when I go to here, items, there should be a divider curtain. Divider. There it is, and it's in the floor. Hooray! It's exactly what I didn't want. So divider current 0. We're going to duplicate this, put it inside. This is going to be the model. We're going to remove the model from here. So this is at 0, right? We want the model to be like there. And then here we'll remove the nav mesh obstacle. Oops. Redundancy of the item. Move the box collider, move the nav mesh obstacle. Make sure we reset our box collider here. Oh, or not. Yeah, it's fine. Worry about that later. So divider current. That should be okay. It should be higher, I guess. Oh, no, that's it. I'm gonna make it smaller, even. Like that. Probably should do it to a proper scale. Oh, that's one. That's not one unit. Let's see if this is that. This is like that. This is like that. Apply. He was really mystical. He's actually a multidimensional traveler of space-time. Can't prove anything. You can't prove anything. Why is it so damn low? Or is it just how it is? No, it's definitely not how it is. Where is y of 0? If that's the panel, okay. One thing I don't have yet is a better sense of the floor. I think because the actual floor is just too low. You guys would believe that? Okay, so again, items. We haven't made this scrollable yet. We're actually getting enough items. We're gonna have to do that soon. There we go. So now I can be like, that's gonna be there, and I'm gonna put that there. They don't snap well because we didn't actually make them properly to the grid. Dividers. You're not going over here, buddy. Oh, sorry, you're not going there. You're not going there. Now, is this carving? We should make sure our stuff carves. I don't know how we can make that automatic. Yeah, these things need to carve. So boom, so I could be like, when you walk in, you gotta follow this path that leads to nowhere. And then you can't leave either. Boom. Now you spawn and you can never leave. A symbiote is a CEO of Twitch. I'd believe that. And there you go. So now you can build little divider walls. These, of course, aren't the final divider walls. They're not perfect divider walls. They don't snap perfectly. They don't rotate perfectly. But the premise is there for now. Let me in, let me in, let me in. Perfect. And just to tease them, we'll put a single hand sanitizer booth inside. So everyone can use the hand sanitizer to stay healthy. And we'll put a couple of beanbag chairs so they can rest. Yeah, they're resting. And hell, we'll even put a ball pit. Oh wait, I can't. There's no more nav space. Damn, potato. Damn. Too soon. I think this convention might be a trap. This was you can make a queue before opening the con. No, this was dividers. These are dividers. These are walls. You can just basically build walls now. Or it's a placeholder walls. You can put a wall in, wall over there, wall over there, wall over there, wall over there, wall over there. These aren't really how queues would work. Queues have to be their own unique special system, where the AI knows to actually follow the queue and stay in line and stuff like that. We could actually just make a maze, which is kind of cool. See if AI can solve it. Which they, of course, can solve it because they have perfect pathfinding. Before they go into a tile above water, then delete it. I promise I'm actually evil. Oh my goodness. Alright, so we have dividers now. There's one too many items showing up in an item thing. What's the extra item we have? Hand sanitizer, pizza stand, table. Table is extra. So we need to make these a scroll view at some point, as you can see here more items. We might also do a search view later on. That's how I see a lot of Tycoon games do it. Alright, so we did dividers. What was I actually trying to do before dividers? Who remembers? We fixed panels, right? So you can actually... Oh, we were trying to do entrances to panels. So our goals, let me write this down because I always forget talking to you jerks. Entrance to panels. Entrance to station. And our goal after that is to do an artist booth, where it sells art. It's just going to be a table right now, and then we'll have to model stuff when I get my computer. Hammer that panel! There it is. Making an art booth? We'll do that after we do the entrance. The entrance problem is... The entrance thing is still a problem. Like, this is still a problem. Crowd control. Right, we don't want to lead the game like this. Because this just looks bad in GIFs for the prototype. So our goals for this game is to make the minimum number of systems we need to feel confidently that we can take this game, give it to somebody else, like Haystime, and say, do you think this is fun? Right, so that's our goal, which means that we're going to leave the AI crappy. We're going to leave some of the art crappy. We're going to leave a lot of the art crappy. We're going to have no sounds. We might have music, and then we're going to figure it out from there. It's a realistic view on panels. You know that you have the ability to build a maze? Maybe you could turn this into a sim game where you can build a horror ride, like a haunted house. See what you did there, Noel. See what you did there. Okay. So let's start working on the entrance system. So this is entrance. What we're gonna on blah words. We're gonna want to do is make a tool in the future that automatically creates stations for us, that forces us to define an entrance. Like make a little editor tool that defines an entrance, define interaction points, define spawn points, etc. Because we're gonna forget. 2 months from now, we're gonna forget how to make this crap. This is gonna be station entrance. Vandy uploaded just for you. What is this? What is this, Toja? What about a sim buy game? I don't get it. The link didn't work. I mean, I pasted the whole thing and it still didn't work. I don't know what it is. Just white. Wait, I can't see the link. Someone whisper me the real link. This is all broken in chat. Thanks, Toja. OneDrive. Whoa. What is this? Play slideshow? Oh, is this reference for what an artist booth should look like? There's space link. Okay. Thanks, Kyrie. Is this supposed to be reference for an artist booth? You are just featuring Quasi TV? What? What am I looking at? Is this your booth? Was this your booth? 'Cause that's awesome. Okay. That's what our booth will look like. Awesome, game dev. So let's go to station. It was my Artist Alley booth at my very first convention. No way, Toja, that's you? No way. I can tell. It looks just like you. This invisible person at the chair. It has changed a lot over the years. Show me a more recent one. I want to see boots. If you guys ever had photos of your boots and stuff, I'd love to see them. I take a lot of pictures at conventions I go to now for references. What I can't wait to do is create the like tournaments in Convention Tycoon so you can have like esports tournaments and stuff. We're not gonna be able to do that until we figure out how panels are gonna work, but even then, that's gonna be awesome. Put like little things for the people to sit in, little gamer thingies for them to sit in and like watch the stuffs.
But
I was once at a Lego convention in Croatia. It was fun, but I had to go. Aw, it sucks. Daniel had a booth. It would be the size of a mansion. Boots or booths? Boots. It's always boots. Send me pictures of your boots, please. I have a boot fetish. Station. Okay, so station needs an entrance. So serialize. I don't know why I have all these empty spaces. Private entrance. Entrance. So we're gonna find the entrance. Here. Get components and children interaction point. I guess an entrance just needs to be an interaction point, doesn't it? Doesn't even need to be a station entrance for now. Or does it? I don't know. I think it's an interaction point. We'll leave entrance out of it for now. We're gonna leave that class there because I know I'm gonna need it. I think. State on enter is nothing. Idle. So we're gonna say, so we can do it here basically. We can say station for each interaction point in children, get components in children interaction point. We're gonna say if child dot get component entrance. Is that a good way to do it? Could be a tag. Probably should be a tag. Let's call this station entrance. And give it to the entrance. So we're going to say if child dot compare tag station entrance. Otherwise, it's a problem here. Oh, sorry. We're going to say entrance equals child. And we're going to make entrance an interaction point for now. User booth in the last con you did, Dice Goddess? Let's see. Whoa, this is awesome. Designs by Dice 533. Cool. That's cool. So this is gonna be like, it'd be super cool if in Convention Tycoon we can get artists, like real artists, like their permission to put their art in the game, right? Like if like Dice gave us permission to put like this awesome Princess Peach piece in the game. Although the memory of the game would get really big, file size wise, we have to really compress them down. And we like randomly show different art pieces on the actual booths. But it would just take so many. I guess if we really compress them down, it would be okay. That would be awesome. What is protected type, Kratos Godman? That means that any class that inherits this class can also access this variable. So private is only that class, public is every class, and protected is only inherited classes. Are you putting it out of the stream? If yes, how do you do it? What do you mean? How do I stay productive outside of stream? I'm a pretty obsessive person, so when I really get into something, I get obsessed about it. So I like won't go outside, I won't talk to anybody, and I'll just like work on my stuff. So that usually helps. A lot of times I am unmotivated though, like I will lose motivation. I'll like just watch Netflix or whatever. Coffee helps a lot. Deadlines help a lot. I always give myself imaginary and real deadlines, like showing my games at meetups, taking my games to certain things, promising to show it to certain friends, knowing that I have to show it to you guys at some point. Deadlines help a lot. Coffee helps a lot, and just working on something you actually love. I feel like if you're not motivated for what you're working on, then you probably don't like it as much as you might think you like it. Because anytime I've ever been really into something, it's all I wanted to do. So I feel like if you're working on your own game and you're just kind of like, well, I could do it today or not, then it might not be the game that you really want to work on. We needed this kind of booth. We need a merch booth for sure. This looks like there's a delicious booth. Food of deliciousness. Amsterdam Comic-Con. Oh my goodness. Condom Tycoon? What simulation? You could if you wanted to. You could make whatever Tycoon game you want. See you, Game Dev Company. The food booth. Food booth is best booth. All right. So we have our entrance now. So how are we going to do this? We got to mess with the AI a little bit. We're going to go to find interaction points, find workers, receive item. Where's our methods? File structure. It's nothing. Set vendor. Get interaction locator. So we're going to have public interaction locator. Interaction point, sorry. Get entrance. And this is just... We're going to make it a method for now because it's going to, in the future, like multiple entrances and stuff. I'm trying to make sure this is actually going to... Time to go work. See you, Victor. Thanks for hanging out. I'm trying to think this is actually going to help us with our queue system later on. I think so. It lets us really open to take our potential clients and talk with them along with our small museum. Oh, cool. That's awesome. What about artist sign booth? You can feature our real artists there too. Yeah, absolutely. Signatures booth. Yeah, I want to try to get permission from like real streamers and real YouTubers who want to be in the game. That'd be really cool. And of course, real viewers who watch this show. Someday, get you guys in the game too. Get interaction locator. Get entrance. Okay, so here's the deal. Find nearest. Current target or NMR target.c is current target dot get entrance. Okay? So you go to an entrance. We're gonna say, okay, so here, if your distance is less than your stopping distance, if target.c is occupied, okay, so we're gonna say, if we reached an entrance, now we need a seat. So we're going to say if this or target seat dot compare tag the entrance, or what was it, seat entrance, station entrance, or something, right? Station entrance, yeah. Really should make a static tags thing. Let's do that now. Go to game manager. Go down here. I like to do this in my games before I lose controller stuff. So public class tags. Public static string entrance equals station entrance. Public static string player equals player. You should be capitalized. Okay. Working on a layout, 100% sure on the background. Let's see. This or they're both exactly the same. Oh, they're not. Never mind. I missed your link, Vandy? Wait. I thought you were talking about... Oh, here we go. Sorry. I did miss this. I thought you were talking about the previous one. This was a booth from my old work. No art or game related. Interesting from two sides from the boost part in the middle. Not me. Wait. It's not you. Aw. Interesting from two sides with the boost part in the middle. Yeah. It's interesting because you guys... Looks like you can go back here and kind of have like a private seating talking area almost. Huh. I only thought about booths like that. Now, you know I'm gonna... now I think this is you, right? Like now this is what you look like in my head, no matter what. No matter what you say, you look like... That's what you look like to me now. So, it's Vandy, guys. Now we know what he looks like. Uh-oh. It's not what I wanted at all. Oh, god damn it. Everything minimized. Everything is minimized. I need that. I need Visual Studio. I need Unity. Okay, so we're back. We're looking at Hastein's images. Here. Windows 10. I hate you so much. It was this one, or it was this one. Where's the other one? This one? We're gonna let it 100% here on the background. Yeah, the background's not very good. What is the layout for? I think I like it. If you tell me what it's for, I think I like it with the black borders around the blue boxes. But I don't really know what it's for yet. It's open on two sides. Oh, gotcha. It looks like almost a private area. Why did you capitalize a variable in? It's like some kind of programming, what's the word? Not syntax, semantics? No, whatever. Like programming naming convention where you name your public stuff with a capital first case and your lowercase stuff with not a capital first case. I don't always follow it, but sometimes I like to. It also looks nicer when you do this. So if I do in my AI here, when I do compare tag, I'm going to do tags.entrance. That kind of looks nicer than lowercase e for a tag. Blue box will be transparent. Yeah, if it's going to be transparent, then I think a border, because then you're keeping it separated. A Pokemon streamer. Okay, cool. Windows 10 loves me, don't you? This was Netflix at Amsterdam Comic Con. Maybe this is helpful. Netflix's booth. Damn. Wait, where are the toilets? There's no toilets at all in this expo hall. What kind of a convention? What kind of a convention has no toilets in the middle of the expo hall? Shame. Shameful. Shameful. See if anyone's doing anything weird in this picture. That guy's picking his nose. That guy's like, dude, why are you picking your nose? That guy's texting. She's shocked. She's, I think, in withdrawal from cocaine. That's all you can see. Camel casing? Camel casing is good. Yeah, you should camel case. This is camel casing, so it's like lowercase, capital. Every word is capitalized. I don't know what the public thing is called. When you shake a window and everything minimizes, you can shake a window again and it'll restore everything. How do I make it never do that? How do I turn off shaking windows? Need to find cause to design a better toilet convention. Next time you'll join me at the Amsterdam Comic Con? When is that? I do want to come to Amsterdam soon, but I don't know when Comic Con is. So this is the entrance. Then we're going to say target seat equals goes current target dot get entrance target seat. Equals current target dot get interaction locator. There we go. And return. Because then we got a seat to go to. We're gonna say, what is it? Next can move. Next wander. We're gonna say wait 1 second after you get to the entrance, I guess. So next wander goes time.time plus a random value between 1 and 3. See the simulation. Another angle. Next year it could be updated. Cool. Ooh, that's a cool booth. That's a massive booth. We haven't gotten to that scale of booths yet. Our current level couldn't even handle a booth this big. But we will at some point get to like the big, Blizzard and League of Legends size booths. All right. Okay. I think this is gonna work. Let's change this to tags.entrance. So it's always a good practice when you're working in Unity to not search for strings using string names. That's okay in a jam and when you're prototyping in the beginning. But as your game progresses further, you really want to start creating references or like one place where all your tags are. That way, if you change your tag somewhere, it's not screwing up all across your game and you're not making a typo in your tags. You just call the string and then it's already there for you. If you accidentally one day type player Z, then that code's not going to work and it's going to drive you crazy. Wizard Maker, what's up? Good to see you. Just in time to watch us do something. Don't know what it is yet. Let's see. So everything needs an entrance. So we're gonna say, oh, let's do a little hack here. We're gonna say station, find entrance. Nope, that's not it. Where did I just type this? Here we go. We're gonna say if entrance equals null, then we're gonna return an interaction locator. If we don't have an entrance, go straight to a seat. Wild Paradox, what's up, dude? Long time no see. We need to just try and learn. I'm a little scared. No worries, dude. No worries. It is very scary, but it gets way less scarier as you do it. I promise. It gets way less scarier as you do it. You try the script I sent you on Twitter. I haven't tried it yet. No, I've had the time to, but thank you so much for sending me that. It's awesome. I actually used something similar in Skya because I was able to kind of follow along. We should get all the arts that watch Quasi to do a Quasi drawing a cooldown sketch multi-stream. Can I be a part of that too? That'd be cool. Okay, items. Let's see if this works. Set a panel down. Panel gets built. Okay, so you can see they walk to the entrance. And then they die. They're busy off and on, so not able to stop by. Oh, no worries, dude. I appreciate your support regardless. Thank you so much. All right, well, they are going to the entrance at least. Distance to see if nothing goes off the target seat. Target seat dot compare tag. Maybe this is the problem, I guess. Let's put a breakpoint here. See if we ever hit that. Quasi during a quasi cooldown sketch multi-stream. Is that quasiception or something else? So item. I wish I could make this faster. I really need to automate this system. You're out of time for packs. I know, dude. That really sucked. Oh, okay. Compare tag. Target seat. Entrance. Okay, is an entrance. True. Target seat equals get interaction locator. Is this happening? When we find the next interaction locator, set our next wander, we return. Working how I want it. What am I doing wrong? This is not exactly the results I wanted. Just saw this Quasi 7 starts in 2 days. Yes, Wizard Maker, are you going to join? Pyramid Head Scheme? To turn off shaking in Windows 10 and Windows 10, you need to create a 32-bit D-word value called disallow shaking in HQ current. There's not a checkbox. I love how everyone just walks into the convention and goes straight for the pile. Like, oh, this looks like a good place to be. I want to be in this pile. I'm going to go right into this pile. You need a good CPU as a game dev, or is a GPU more important? Depends on what you're trying to make. When I was doing a 2D game, GPU didn't matter at all. CPU is super important. Now both are super important, making it a 3D game. So it depends on your project. No checkbox. That's so dumb. So what if I shake a window? Then okay. I shake windows a lot. It's like a nervous tick. It's like a good time. I know, right? All right. What's going wrong? Let's say. Okay. Let's change this code up a little bit. So we're gonna deal separately here. Say times 15. Still all hacky. Very hacky. It's not going to work with walls and stuff. Come on, Unity. Can a mosh pit go wrong? You're going to try, but this time a 3D game. Ooh, cool, Wizard Maker. No. What's wrong with you guys? All right, let's look at them one by one. Hey, RBS, how's it going? You, what's wrong with you? What are you doing? Oh, is the sun? Is it? Did I pull the blind soon? Eye locator. Actor animator. Target seat. Wait, you do have a seat. Wait, he's trying to go to this chair. Oh, he did. Wait. Someone else. Wait. What? 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 Hold on. I used to hack my dock on OS X as well to give it another alignment. They removed it 2 versions ago. Oh, that sucks. How much RAM do you have? I'm planning to build a PC with i7, 16 gig RAM. That's what I plan on getting in my new PC too. My computer broke. I'm actually using a friend's computer today. But I plan on getting an i7 with 16 gig RAMs and a 1070 GPU, Stalix. Disable arrow shake. Thanks, Skyray. So here's the thing. Time to get into recording mode. See you, Jasmine. Have a good one. It's good to see you. Do all the chairs have the same center? They shouldn't, no. Because we had them sitting in the chairs before. We're trying to get them to not sit in the chairs first. I think it... Maybe I don't... If target seat... It's an entrance. Get interaction locator. Look at this. Let's take the entrance out, right? We're gonna disable the entrance, which I think works. What version of Unity? 5.4.1. Whatever the most recent was on Unity.com. Leave it open for 22. Yes, exactly. Actually, what Vandy said. Make sure you get 2 16 gigs, 2 8 gig sticks, and not 4 gig sticks. Yeah, make sure you get 2 8 gig sticks so that you could get 2 more in the future. You're an entrance, Skytech 6. See, this way. Let's see if it works. Yeah, see, now they walk right up to their seats. What are you doing? Look how nicely they walk up to their seats now. But then given enough people, it gets madness. They're all walking up to the same seats. You see a laser drawing stuff I put up on Twitter? I did not, Wild Paradox. Do you want to link it here? I feel like the i7 is overkill, really? Who used VR for a Gestian game? What's a Gestian game? So yeah, so they're doing this again. So we're trying to solve this problem. We have a crowding problem, right? So again, if we start this over, they sit properly when there's a low number of people, right? They're like, oh, okay, I can do this. Yeah, oh, this is so interesting. Yay. But as soon as there's too many people, we get a lot of crowding. Chairs are occupied, and then check that. That is the situation. The problem isn't the chair is occupied. The problem is that when they get to a chair, if somebody else... So 2 people can try to walk towards the same chair at the same time, and 1 person gets it first. When they get there, they start crowding each other, right? So they're all trying to walk up to chairs that are getting occupied at the same time. So if you think about it like in real life, when you walk into a panel room, you might both walk towards the same chair. That's happening so many times that they're creating little groupings, and then after they see something's occupied, they wait a little while, and that's what's causing the crowding. So what I want to do is actually make them have to walk up to an entrance, and then they walk up to a chair. I don't know why I think that's going to solve the crowding problem. I guess because it'd be one at a time? I don't really know. Problem is, too many of them try to walk up to the same chairs at the same time. Before they walk by the chair. See, that's like kind of the Cody way to solve the problem. But I feel like that's an unrealistic solution for it, right? Because then it's gonna look like AI is avoiding chairs that are obviously open. If someone is halfway across the convention and they decide to walk to a certain chair, and now I lock that chair out for other NPCs, I feel like it's gonna look like NPCs are just walking by empty chairs when they could have sat down in it. Because I want NPCs who are nearby to be able to sit down in a chair. Now this is gonna solve the problem we have now, but I can see where it's gonna cause us annoying issues in the future where NPCs look like they're doing dumb decisions because they're doing stuff that we can't see is going on. I have this, which is a problem. Because what I want it to happen is that NPCs actually walk up to chairs and be like, oh, someone's sitting here, so I guess I don't sit there. I don't sit next to a person, I skip seats. Swiftflux, thank you for the host. This will lessen the problem, because they'll just walk up to a different chair if it's taken. So the NPCs do know they are only getting chairs that aren't taken. But I don't reserve chairs until someone actually gets close to a chair. So the chair isn't taken until someone gets close to it. That does look dumb, right? I guess, I see what should happen. If at any point while they're walking to the chair... Okay, I think I know what to do. The problem is they're trying to get all the way up to a chair and then decide that it's taken or not. They should just check further away, right? Maybe that's what you guys mean. While they're walking to a chair, if it gets occupied, then they should switch their target. Right now they're waiting until they get all the way to the chair and then switching their target, which is causing them to crowd in the aisles. Laser stuff. What? What the F is that? What wizardry is this? Are you drawing with a laser on a wall with a Vive? You draw the apocalypse symbol? That's awesome. Where's this music from? This is the Ori and the Blind Forest soundtrack, I believe, still. Yeah. Wait, has it been repeating on loop? Or is it almost finished? Oh, it's almost over. It's the last song. Oh, it's over! It's over. You can check if the one AI who wants to go there has a longer path than the new AI has. Yeah. I think that'll fix our problem. The music's so good, right, Potato? I know. We're gonna have to play it again. I love Ori and the Blind Forest music so much. Never actually played the game. Intel was price gouging the hell out of the i7. That's true. Yeah, they do. They are. You should make them go to random chairs instead of all of them going to the front row. Yeah, that's also a good point, Gwem. I need to make it so right now, the chair requests are done. We need to make a load balancer for it. And I guess for now it's fine. For prototype it's fine. But yeah, right now it's just giving you the next available chair. And yeah, it should give you a randomized available chair. So we're going to do that too. Let me write that down because I'm going to forget it after we fix this next problem. I lost all my things. Is this one? Okay. Get random chair, not next chair. Okay, we're gonna do that too. Okay, let's if target seat, we're gonna say if target seat dot is occupied, or how do you is occupied, then we find a new thing. Then target seat equals null, and return. If someone takes our seat, give up all hope. No. Find a new seat. So we're going to say a target seat equals current target dot get interaction locator. And I think this will return null if everyone is full. Yeah, if everything's full, it'll return null. And then if target seat is null, we'll just find a new ride to go on. What's up, Howler Moon? How's it going? Extroverts go to conventions and stay as far forward as they can. Introverts just don't go to conventions. That's true. I do usually stay in the front of the conventions, but I'm also an introvert. I flip-flop between the two. I'm like a day walker. I'm an introvert during the day and extrovert during the night, or sometimes during the day. I don't know what I'm saying. Coming in with those professional commenting while I just have to do / do shit all over mine. My excuse for not attending conventions is because I'm always broke. I know, Devin. Should have came to PAX. Next year, PAX West. We gotta go there together. Lurk. It looks kind of weird when they fill the chairs one after one. Yeah, no, I totally agree, Gwen. Totally agree. We're gonna do that right now. You're introverted at cons? I'm an extrovert at cons, I guess. No, I'm an introvert. I get really shy around streamers and indie game developers. When you're standing next to like Tim Schafer and the guy who made Stardew Valley and freaking the guy who made just all these amazing people, I get really introverty. I don't know how your code is done, but I'd make an array of chairs, give them free ticket value, check the whole array for the next free chair. Yeah, exactly, Pulse. That's exactly how we do it. So we're gonna go over to our station. So our station has an array of all the chairs. And so right now to get a chair, we're just iterating over all the chairs and returning the first free one. Let's not do that. We're going to create a list of interaction points. Now, the problem with this is it might get called, well, I won't call it once per frame, I think, right? I don't know. We're going to create a list of interaction points called available seats. And at start, we're going to say available seats.clear. And every single time we find an unoccupied available seat, we're going to add it to our list. Interaction locators at I. So it's not occupied, we're going to add it to our list. Make a list of chairs, randomize the list ahead of time, and then walk down to the list. Yep. No, you don't have to keep checking. You do have to keep checking. Because the chairs are constantly changing every time, right? Introvert equals normals, extroverts equals jerks. I agree. I agree, Clem. Then we're going to return, we're going to say if available seats.count is greater than 0. Actually, we're going to say if it's 0, return null. Else, if available seats.count equals 1, just return available seats at 0. Otherwise, we're going to return available seats.getRandom. You don't see crowds as people, I see them as random unimportant entities. I bugged the crap out of Ron Gilbert and his team. That's awesome, Strife. So I'm excited to interact with people, I get overloaded. I'm good at interacting with people when you tell me to, but I'm bad at getting myself to do it when you don't tell me to. That makes sense. I was better at it in PAX. In PAX East, I was a scared little baby because it was like a month after we got partnered, and I felt like I was like this baby streamer. PAX West, PAX Prime a little bit better, or PAX West a little bit better. I tried to walk up people and just ask them questions, but even then, sometimes I would get nervous about it. See ya, Dice Goddess. Okay, so this should get us random seats. Probably. I should like read my code more after I read it. There we go. Sometimes they're having trouble navigating between the chairs or something? I don't know what's going on there. You guys see that? They have trouble navigating between the rows. Would get random on a one link list get the first item anyways? It would, yeah. But so what get random does, it actually uses link, right? So it like does a lot of there's not a return list. Actually, what I should do it is just here. I could just do it in there actually. I don't do this all the time. Because it returns like it creates a list. It's going to generate a lot of garbage. But I should just add it to get random. Should just say if list.count equals 1, return list at 0. That way we don't generate all the garbage of creating a new list and all that crap. Oh wait, this already, I guess it already does it? I always thought get random. Oh yeah, no, it does. So the garbage is already started here, right? No, I guess this is fine. No, never mind. I don't think we need to do this. Yeah, we're good. There's no garbage. We're good. So yeah, just get random is good enough. I was thinking about... What was I confusing this with? Oh, I think I was confusing it with randomize, where we actually use link to sort the crap. But this is pretty straightforward. So random between 0 and 1 was just 1, and then we're good. I don't know how much garbage random that range creates, but probably negligible. The problem is if they can't sit before a previous chair becomes free, they try to navigate to the previous one. If it gets taken in, they flicker and so on. Yeah, well, so we changed that now. So the NPC AI, while they're walking, if they notice that someone takes their seat, they're supposed to find somewhere else to sit. There is one more problem. We're gonna get rid of the entrance thing. There's one more problem, which I think is this. So this is if you get really close to the seat and it's occupied, then you look at the booth. Oh, I see what I was trying to do. So, this doesn't work with panels and it works more with booths. This is how I was generating crowds for booths, right? I was saying, if you get close to a booth, you get close to a seat and it's taken, just stand there and watch, right? Like you would, and it creates people watching the booth. But this is not, that's really not gonna work. So we're gonna get rid of this. We're gonna change this to if move to seat, else resume, okay. We're gonna say stop and look at booth. This is gonna have to be different. You're gonna have to be like standing away from the booth and looking at this. I don't think this should be how it's done. This is kind of hacky. What really should happen is you choose to walk up to a booth and just look at it, right? In real life, you don't walk up to a chair and be like, I'm gonna stand here and look at it. You walk up to the booth, you watch it, and then maybe you make a decision to walk into the chair. So I was making it backwards, I think. The problem is now we won't get crowds around booths, probably. Because no one's gonna stand around and look at it. Now there's that weird, there's this thing. I don't know what the hell that is. What are you doing? Is he like deciding between paths? And their stopping distance is crazy. I normally go sit before the panel starts and leave once bored. Yeah, we haven't worked out actual timing of stuff like sitting and then waiting for a panel to start. That stuff will come later. We're still working on the core of actually going to the panel and sitting there. Now, why are they doing that? Let's see. Who is it? Is this witch here? NPC? Is their current target changing? What's our target set? Let's see. I think she's just having trouble navigating. I think because once the people are there, she can't get to the chair anymore. Where's she trying to go anyway? Quote, turn off the avoidance if they are sitting. Turn off the avoidance of what? All of our... Let's delete the back row. Let's see if we can make some more room and if that fixes this problem. Yeah, looks like it might have been an issue of them just not being able to walk between the rows. Like not enough walking space. Because remember, the other agents take up some space as well. And I don't want to turn them off because then you won't be avoiding the agents anymore. There, this looks about right. I like this panel. I hate this panel. I like this panel. I hate this panel. I like this panel. I hate this panel. Reason built in Navmesh AI, so Navmesh has local avoidance, which lets them try to dodge other agents. Yeah, I do have them. They are not so good at dodging other agents. They'll just walk into each other for the most part. Sometimes you'll see them just like crash into each other. It's not very good. See, now what's the problem here? Why are they coming if there's no seats? I guess if there's one seat available, a lot of them head to it. I mean, the other thing about booths and panels will probably get closed if they're full. I don't know. Don't worry about that either. You fix the really bad crowding problem at least. Everybody run to the Unisoft booth. So they're still dead. I don't know what these people are trying to do. I guess they're trying to go to certain chairs. It's like, how do you tell them to leave a panel alone? Because in real life, you can walk into a panel whenever you want. So look at these two. Some avoidance. Some avoidance. Look at them. Oh my god. Can't see. Oh, hello, butterfly person. Don't mind if I just walk through these people's heads. You can see the avoidance path set of the agents. Cool, let's take a look. Maybe the avoidance is messed up. It's a nice empty room. I like it. I approve of this empty room. With broken lighting. What's up with the lighting? Oh, it's a shadow being cast in the ceiling? Anyway, this is much better than before. There's still some crowding happening, but that's because people are not avoiding each other properly. Let's see if we can look at the avoidance. NPC. Nav mesh agent. Obstacle avoidance. High quality. Nav mesh builder window? What the hell is that? Another navigation window. And it's got this and this and this. What's the nav mesh builder window? I don't know why they don't stop. Stopping distance, steering. Maybe the stopping distance needs to be higher. I don't know what it is. The navigation window? It's just got this, drop height, jump distance, advanced, voxel size, min region, height mesh, agent size. It's got areas. It's got objects, mesh renders, terrains. What am I missing? Where you build the mesh in play mode. Show avoidance. Whoa. There's a guy. We don't care about that guy. Unmaximize. Here's a guy. Show nav mesh. Show height mesh. I don't want to see that. I want to see the avoidance. Okay. Oh, this is cool. Oh, this is awesome. What is it? What's the little poop in front of them? This is sweet. Why can't I shift tab? What? Why shift? Wait, shift tab used to do full screen. How do you do full screen now? They changed that? You still able to do full screen with shift tab. Show walls. Show neighbors. I don't care about that. See ya, told ya. No Man's Sky soundtrack. Oh, you got it, Lark. So are they avoiding each other now? Is that the obstacle avoidance? This little noise thing in front of them? The poop is the area avoidance. Cool. I think it was set to 0. I guess that's why. No, stopping distance was set to 0. It looks like they're trying to avoid stuff, but... Oh, you know what? It is because I think maybe is it because the stopping distance was so low? Because now they're actually stopping before they avoid stuff. What is Quasi Jam 7? What's up, Kinsey? Quasi Jam 7 is our 7th game jam. We are jamming. It's going to be a 3-day long game jam. Starts Friday at 3 p.m. where me and everybody's watching the stream. Not everybody, but some people watching the stream are going to be doing a game jam, meaning we're going to create a new game. Everyone makes their own games. Some people get in teams to make their games. We're making a new game based on a theme that you guys vote for. You can vote for the themes now at heo.com/jam/QuasiJam7. Theme will be announced Friday. Theme voting closes tomorrow, so make sure you get your votes in today. The theme will be announced on Friday when the jam starts, and then we all make a game in 3 days. And by Monday, I play everyone's games. We talk about them, and we all have made a game, and it's awesome. Should incorporate some of the ideas of flocking in their motion to make them more organic. Yeah, totally. That's more like non-pro type stuff, though. At least. Because I think the stopping distance might have helped with the problem of people actually running straight into each other. Because the stopping distance was 0, so they waited until they were 0 distance away from their target to stop, right? So let's see, if I put a panel down. Oh god. No, maybe it doesn't help that much. Helps a little bit. I mean, it does look way less than crazy than it was before. And there we go. Oh, a whole bunch of people just left. That's awesome. I feel like what I'm going to do is... I might have to join this jam, but weekend 1 might be a little busy, Swift! It'd be awesome to have you on board, dude! You did have a great soundtrack. It did, Potato. I've actually never played it, so I don't know if it was good or bad, but I do love the music. Here's what we're going to do. On ride enter. On actor enter. On trigger enter. No. On ride start. So the way it works right now, I don't know, I forget how it happens. When you start a ride, ride ended, ride started, you start waiting. You start waiting, and you keep waiting until your ride ends. And who tells you when your ride is ended? The interaction point tells you. See, that's no good. Or is it? It is, actually. So the way it works right now is you enter a ride for like a booth. It is all based on booth logic, right? You turn off the avoidance if you set the avoidance property of the agent to 99. Oh, well, let's not do that. What's up, King Conquest? See ya, Elmer. Have a good one. Your museum's opening this weekend. Oh, no, that's awesome. But that means you might not be able to participate. That sucks. We need to relax from the crunch of trying to jam. No, I feel you, dude. Rest is important. There'll be other Quasi Jams. Quasi Jam 8 will be in a month or 2. So it's definitely get some rest if you had a lot going on. So a ride starts as soon as you sit in the chair. And that works good for booths. That doesn't work good for, what is this thing called? Shows. Right? Doesn't work good for shows. Now we can't use a different class because it's the same kind of chair. So we could put it on the station itself. We have a station that's a show. Yeah, we have station types, right? We have show and stuff like that. Scout key for the winner. The winner of what, Potato? Really wish I had been in the last Quasi Jam. Horror is my jam, but this time around I have a wedding I have to go for. No, Stripes, that sucks. 2 jams missed in a row. Can you just tell your friends not to get married? So here's what we're going to do. We're going to say if station dot type equals show. Isn't that a thing? What is this called? What are the different station types? Boot, stand, shop, rest, bathroom. Mother effer. Show. Quasi Jam isn't competitive. Yeah, there's no winners in the jam. The number 1 rule of Quasi Jams is there are no winners. Everybody wins because everybody made a game. No competition, no voting, no points or anything like that. That's why I started Quasi Jam, because I don't like that part of game jams. Station. The thing about jamming is supposed to be, in my opinion, to learn how to make games and not to try to compete with other people. Because then when you start competing in jams, you really start what's the word? Separating out people who are just trying to get into game jams, right? Because then you have this elite group of people who've been jamming for a long time, have made games before, and are really good at jamming. And there's a group of people who are trying to make their first ever game, and they feel like it's crap because looking at all these beautiful jam games made by all these other people. So I don't like the competition part of game jams. So we're gonna say station type equals station type dot show. If it's the show, otherwise we'll do this. What we probably should do is do something like get ride time. We probably shouldn't do this logic here. We should do this logic here. So public virtual void get ride time. Sorry, not void float. And right now this just returns ride time, which where the hell does that come from? This comes from this, so we're going to do this. So we're going to return a randomized interaction time. Right, so we can just, all we have to do now in here is just say next should, we keep this method, oops, equals station get ride time. And the station logic will take care of themselves because stations are actually separated into classes, right? We have stations, we have shows, etc. So a panel, for example, gosh, you can't see. So we go down here to a panel, prefabs. A panel is a show station. When here we can override this method. And we're going to return mathf.infinity. Basically, once you get into a show, you can never leave. We have a good night. I'm going to bed. I have a busy day tomorrow. See you, Wizard Maker. Thanks for hanging out. And thanks for the script earlier, too. You're awesome, dude. Wow. Did I? Oh, I do have water. I'm like dying in here. Whoops. We're on the last day of dev for our demo, so I have to keep having test builds. Oh, dude, that's awesome. Can we see it? When can we see it? When can we see it? On click, get ride time. This is override. So shows are going to return infinity for now. So what I'm trying to do is stations, booths, for example, have a certain number of time you can sit at them. These are set in the inspector for every item. So some booths you stay longer, some booths you stay shorter. And what happens is when an NPC goes and sits down at the booth, they decide a certain number of time they're going to sit there, and it's randomized a little bit within the time that I give it. Plus or minus half, and that way people don't sit at the booths for all the same times. Now that's happening with our stations, which is why such a mess is happening to our stations, and we don't want that anymore. What I want is, we can mess with the logic later, so you can actually get up in the middle of a station. We can do that, like actually let the NPC decide, hey, I want to leave this panel. But for now, I want to say that as soon as you get into a panel, you stay in your seat. You fill the panel, you stay in your seat, and what's going to happen is the panel is going to tell you, hey, show's over, time to go, right? So the panel is going to control, is the show started, is the show ended, and we're going to go from there. For now, we're going to leave it infinite because we don't have the timing system set up, right? That's what this is for. You can actually set up panels with different times and stuff. But we're actually going to put the code in there. We have methods at least now where we can then iterate over all the players and be like, hey, get the hell out of here, it's over. Demo shout out this Saturday. Dude, can't wait. Oh, you have screenshots. Glad to see you're still streaming. Just got done with the first raid night of the Legion raids. How's coding going and what are you working on? We just made it so people can sit at panels. Check it out. Put a panel down. Let it get built. Now people walk over. They find a seat. If they're interested. I don't know what that guy's trying to do. Why are someone just standing still? Oh, they're just walking randomly. Yeah, people fill up the panel. I don't know why some of them are just standing still in the middle of the panel. I feel like they don't realize they're in a panel. What's happening to those guys? They're like dying or something. Was he put a lot of awareness? Thanks, Naders. Yeah, for anyone who's watching the show for the first time, this is Convention Tycoon. It's a game where you create and manage your own video game convention. You can do things like invite people to shows at your convention, place a ball pit, which is very important. Bring a coffee stand so people can buy some coffee. Put some beanbag chairs so your guests can sit down and relax. And most importantly, hand sanitizer stations so no one gets sick. Oops. Put one there, put one there, put one there, and 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 put one in the bathroom. So there's something going on with their AI. You see them here? Something is going on with their AI. Something bad, guys. Something real bad. No one's sitting down. Uh-oh. So now people can only experience panels, not experiencing anything else. I think it might be because I keep messing with the stopping distance. Stopping distance is kind of a hack right now. It's in the think method. It's here. I keep messing with this. I think that's screwing up something. Let's look at these screenshots of Goddess's game. Choose your witch. Woo, I love the art. This is awesome. This looks awesome. So it's a 2D platformer. Awesome. Really, really cool art. You can shoot green rings at monsters. This is so cool. I love the representation you guys have in different characters as well. That's awesome. This looks like it's going to be a mobile game. I think you said it earlier too, right? Cake! Dude, your artist is awesome. I said awesome like 6 times, but seriously, I'm impressed. Your ball pit was implemented? It was Mini-Man. Hell yeah, it was. Is that screenshots? Yeah. I'm working on a game in Unity, but won't be anywhere near playable for at least 6 months. That's cool, Naders. What's the game? Six months is a long time for that to be playable. Is the theme of the jam announced on Friday? Wild? Yeah, the theme will be announced Friday at 3 p.m. when the jam starts. It will be a secret until then. Voting ends tomorrow. So if you want to get your votes in for the game jam theme, make sure you vote by tomorrow. You have several artists. Gotcha. Okay. Target seats. Listen seats. Move seat. Okay. We broke sitting down. Anything but a booth. It's because there's a kind of a hack to avoid the navigation problems because we don't have our own navigation yet. There we go. Okay, 2 seems like a good number. Make sure the ball pit still works. Where the hell is it? Okay, I'm still getting in the ball pit. That's good. About for me to clock out. I'll catch you people later. See you, Strife Corps. Thanks for hanging out. Do your civic responsibility to Quasi. Alright. So we've got panels going. Would be cool too is in a panel if we randomly make them nod their heads, right? Because right now they're all just sitting in an idle state. If every now and again they just go, Oh, wait a second. Well, no, I don't know. Whatever. We could actually just do that in the animator, couldn't we? I don't know. I don't think there's a random thing, is there? If we go to sitting, and we want to go to, oh, you know what? Because it's not gonna be blended, so we can't. We have to make a humanoid and blend their head shapes with their foot, leg shapes and stuff. Not gonna work. And raise their hands, yeah. We need to make a mask so it only animates the upper body and not the lower body. It's planned to be a strong story-based FPS survival. We only have about 3 people, so workflows but slow. Gotcha, Naders. That sounds cool. Votes don't count. I picked the themes already. It'll be tunnels, pants, and invisible. But also some kind of wow gesture. Yeah, totally, Blubber. Yeah. Wow gesture, and then, oh, like, I mean, we're probably not going to ever get to this because it's scope, but like walking up and asking questions, right, at a mic and stuff. Probably never get to that. Got the NUC bets, nice. One which has worked on the Shantae games and Scribblenauts. Yeah, it does. It's not like Shantae, but definitely you can see some of the personality is there. That's really cool. Use animator for everything that animates, or do you still use the old animation component for simple animations? I use animator for everything. Yeah, I like to call stuff from code. I like to have the transitions and stuff. Yeah, I use animator. I've never actually used the old legacy stuff in a game before. I know how it works, because I have. but I stopped using it. Cause I do like the because the cool thing with Mechanim is you can do like the cool masks and stuff where you mask out just the arm, so just the arm animates, and you mask out just the head. So I like that for Mechanim. And even if I'm just doing a door, I still will just, it's easier to see the state tree, the state machine for the door. Okay. So what else did we promise that we were going to do? We promised that we would forget the entrance to the station, get random chair. We did that. All right, we're going to make an artist booth. So I think I lost the reference that you guys sent me. Can someone send me the picture of Toja's booth again? Does anyone still have that? I think Vandy had it. Or Vandy made it. You're a Maskus developer? One of the themes is a pretty okay lead. All of them are pretty close. There's a bunch that are really close, and one of them has a pretty big lead. Not a pretty big lead. One is in lead for sure. And it's gonna be a really hard one if it does get picked. We're gonna play Ori in the Blind Forest again. So let's make a new booth. This is gonna be an artist booth. Hashtag ask, why is it not a thing, Simbi? Because what do you mean? I don't want hashtag ask. I'd rather be able to look at chat and answer your questions as opposed to have it ping me. It would drive me crazy while I'm trying to develop. You have a link to both. Thanks, Dice. Oh, you have a link to your booth. Yes, that's good enough. Thank you. This is awesome. All right, we're going to use this. So we're going to try to make something like this. It's not going to look like this at all because we're going to make it in Unity using Unity cubes. So what's interesting about this is it's not going to have a chair to spawn. It's just going to have an interaction point. State on answer is going to be talking. And I think the art booths are going to be... how do we do them? We're going to do them same size, maybe a little bit smaller, so something different. It's a stroopwafel one? Oh, God. Hope not. Really hope not. Size 4. No, 5. No, 6. 5. Yeah, we'll do 5 by 4 for an artist. So make our floor 5. Oops. 5 by 4. Not 64, but 4. Thanks, Vandy. You have potato waffles for dinner? Alright, so we're going to combine these two booths. They both have very similar aspects to them. Right? And then they're not going to have a back. Yeah, artist booth's not going to have a back. Instead, this company name thing is going to be smaller. Uh-oh. The sign's going to be smaller and on the table. And we're going to make it, is this the canvas? We're going to make it a little bit less. Get rid of these computer screens, I think. And, I guess for this one, it'll just be one artist. So there's only one interaction point to talk to them. We need a developer. Developers don't have icons? Yeah, let's give them an icon. Let's put this something. No, we'll just put this knob. So developer will stand here, aka the artist. Birthday's coming soon? Simbi, I got you pants for your birthday. Oh, Zoot already made that joke. Quasi's gift to you is streaming 3 days a week. Thanks, Nim. we're going to make the person slightly angled so it's not just straight on, right? And I have to rotate this, so minus 195. So not just like, you know, always looking straight ahead. Make this a little angle too. And then on the booth, this is going to be the problem. We have to actually put stuff on this table. Don't know how we're going to do it. It's 181 days to your birthday. Can I get a birthday sketch? Of course, Potato. I'm going to draw your birthday sketch. I'm going to do one line every day for 181 days. And then on the 181st day, you'll have your entire sketch. All right, so I can't do the fence thing yet until we get our 3D modeling program back. So we'll get that. We'll have that once we get our new computer. So for now, we're just going to do stuff like this. We have a Simbi's gift donation goal, $1,000. This guy will be a little bit bigger. And then we'll do some local ones. Let's do 90. Boop. And boop. And so there's a stack of things. And boop. You want to do companies both from our last convention? That's going to be really hard, Neville. No, definitely not without a 3D program. That and that. Oops. There, and one more. There we go. This is what an artist looked like at a convention. I would do a skirt and stuff, but would rather model a separate table for that. There's an artist booth, okay, and I think the space could actually be smaller, right? It could really be a 4 by, yeah, it could be a 4 by 4. Could it be a 4 by 3? No, they need some room in the back to keep their stuff. Oh, let's put some boxes. Where's our what the box box? What the box? What the box? Whoa, not that. Stack of business cards? Yeah, I mean that's a small detail. It's not really worth doing for the polys. We're gonna put a box instead. 90. Oh, is it Z? 90. How do you make this guy right side up? Oh, minus 90. Put some boxes in here. Look, oh, there's a little box. There's a box of all my stuff. There's all the stuff I brought. Here's a box. And that's a box. Here's my other box. Please don't touch my boxes. Uh-oh, not what I wanted to do. How do you get it to... I wish I could just make it snap to the ground. I wish there was objects. Is there object snapping besides vertex snapping, guys? Like surface snapping or something? That'd be cool. What the box? You better believe it. Everyone has a box in their house. Little boxes. Little bits. Wait, why isn't she turned? Dev locator. Dev 180. No. 0. What's going on? 180. Isn't that the same thing? Why is this not doing anything? Okay, fine. 0. Oh, I'm on global. Stupid. Stupid, stupid, stupid. This should be 180. What? Walrus! You scared the crap out of me! Six months!
Wow, it's been 6 months. Never have much time to watch, but keep it up.
Spectator Walrus, thank you so much for 6 months of support. You are so amazing. Miss you around here, dude. Probably miss my 5-month even. No worries. So glad to have you. Thank you for your continuing to support the stream. I appreciate that very, very, very much. How are you doing? Have you had a chance to see Convention Tycoon? I don't even know. What's up with the hierarchy? It's a Unity asset. It's called Enhanced Hierarchy. Guys, can you please get some hearts and hype in chat for Walrus coming in with half a year of support? Thank you so very much, dude. So we got boxes for our artist booth here, and we need to just set up our nav mesh and stuff for it. So the nav mesh, I mean, it gets set to the same as the collider anyway at runtime, but I like to just do it myself. Oh, this is not 4 or 5 anymore. It's 4x4. All right, and we're gonna call this booth the artist booth. Very descriptive. It's gonna be 250. And it's going to be resources. I guess it's going to... Technically, it's a booth. It's not really an item, so I don't know how we're going to do that. For now, we're just going to make it an item. It's really working when you stream, but I do watch the VODs occasionally. Oh, awesome, dude. How's work going then? Gotta go back to work, but have it going. All right, thank you so much for the resub. Appreciate it so very much. I'll see you next time. Still taking notes while watching Quasi TV. I take notes while I do everything. It's a good sign. It means you're trying to grow and learn and get better. So here's an artist booth. He's so tiny. He's so tiny. Poor little artist. No representation at this convention. You can't even get back there, can you? Oh, Darcy Lubitz. Darcy Lubitz can't even get to her where she wants to stand. What's up with that? Hello? Wait. Oh, they're waiting for deliveries? Is there a problem here? October, our 9th anniversary. I know, we're gonna have a baby. We're gonna have a stream baby. Ooh, thanks, Techno. Vertex snapping. User channel doesn't toolbar to translate blah 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 blah. Gizmo toggles, okay. Yeah. Unit snapping, okay. Dragging game so you can hold control key to snap to increments, yeah. I don't care about that. While dragging in the center, using the translate tool, you can hold shift and control to snap that object in the collider. Yes! Look at rotation. Using rotation, you can shift and control command. What? What? No way. Hold on. Really? This is awesome. So if I take this guy, and he's like, let's do it global. Go all the way up here, and I'm like, control shift. Oh, this is what I've always wanted. Techno, thank you so much. Hell yeah. Then you can like make sure that stuff's on the surface of stuff, right? If I was here, like, nope, I want it on the surface. Oh wait, no. Wait, maybe it didn't work. Wait, it still keeps an offset. Wait, did I do it right? Shift and control. No, that's not one. Shift and control is snap to the object to the intersection of any collider. Does it have to have a collider? Oh, these shouldn't even have colliders. I guess it's not exactly what I wanted. What I was thinking. What am I doing wrong? Wait, control shift isn't actually working for me. It's just doing the same thing control does. Control shift. Oh, you have to use the middle thing. That's what they're saying. Right? Well, dragging using in the center using the translate tool, okay. Dragging in the center using the translate tool, you can hold shift and control to snap to the object to the intersection of any collider. This makes switching objects incredibly fast. You guys are fucking liars. This doesn't do shit. Kind of does, I guess. How'd you name the people? I have these documents. I have these text files of Anglo-Saxon names, character names, family names, family names, female names, male names, and then I randomly just grab 2 of them. I grab a first name and a last name. This is actually not working properly. First of all, these boxes are post-build props, so these are going to get delivered, all of this. That's gonna, oh, it's not even in the booth. Goes in here. And so do all of these. All of these cubes are post-build props. Post-build props, this is an artist's booth. 4x4 artist's booth. Oh, crap. Wait, what? Delete this. This is a 4x4 artist booth. Make it a prefab. And then regular booths just to look like regular booths. Well, now it's all... No! You piece of crap. What's up, Mathia? Ah, prefabs, I hate you so much. Hate you so much. That's still a booth? This is not a booth? Oh, wait, no, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Nobody panic. Nobody panic. This is a panel. Okay, that's fine. Panels need floors, though. I'm gonna give a... Yeah, let's give a panel a floor. Grab this floor. Stick it inside this panel. Can't even see with all this damn thing. What? Esco! 6 months in a row!
Less than 3.
Thank you so much for 6 months of support, dude. It's good to see ya. Guys, can you please get some hearts and hype in chat for 6 months of resub support? Thank you so much. What the Box Easter egg? Check it out. These are the What the Box hats right here. This is literally the What the Box character. And What the Box is also a randomized hat you can get. The NPCs can have in the game. It should be in resources, prefabs, accessories, hats. I believe What the Box is in here. Yeah, it's one of the possible prefabs you can get. This should not be in here. This should be in models. But yeah, you can randomly become a What the Box character. Alright, I'm out of control here. It's too much stuff. It's too much stuff. I'm gonna put the floor inside. This is a 10x12 panel. Reset. It's gonna be 10, it's 12, so it covers the floor. panel. Wait, it's not 10? What bullshit, it's 11. 7.1? What? 8.29? What are these non-whole numbers? This is a 8x12 panel. Come back and what the box are you doing? What's up, Jeffy? So we just made a little artist booth that's not actually working. Let's take a look at why. It needs to be built. It's an artist booth. It doesn't need any of this stuff. It has its own interaction locators, available items. It gives you a booth visit. These are the props. It has a company name. Station type is actually a shop. Maybe it needs to be a shop then. So there's a shop, artist booth, 250. I don't know what stats are. I don't know what that stuff is. I don't know what that stuff is. I don't know why there's a station type when it's already defined as the class type. Yeah, a lot of things to improve here for sure. You can buy a coffee from it. I think we find post-build props ourselves. I hope we do. Let's go see. Where's post-build props? Nope, it has to be set right now. What it should be, it looks like it's normally in the root, right? Post-build props. I wonder if we can automate this. That's why I want to create like an editor tool to create our boot so it's all automated. Did I play What the Box? Yeah, wow, it's super sweet. Crispy Gaming, how's it going? Oh my god, you just made me so hungry. You just made me so damn hungry, Crispy Gaming. Why you gotta do that? Okay, so basically, for some reason, when we spawn this artist booth... Oh, hello. First of all, we get some crazy null reference exceptions. What the hell was up with that? It's got a box collider. Everything is set. What's going on? Do you have to have friends? It is a centralized server, yeah. This is really weird. Look at this. Like flashing. So we're supposed to spawn a developer here. You're supposed to deliver it and the Hollow just gave up? I don't know what's going on. Is he the one who's supposed to work here? Why can't he get in? Oh, it's because of the... Oh, I'm a fool. I made the entire booth navigational, right? So this whole box means you can't walk anywhere in the booth. So the guy who works here can't even get to it. So we want to close off the table, and we want to make these boxes. I'm going to make these two boxes a nav mesh obstacle. And they carve into the box. Into the floor, I mean. So I don't want to walk through the boxes. How long till streams end, Potato? As soon as we figure out this Artist Alley booth. I want to make someone walk away with a painting. Okay, so let's get an artist. Here is Alexander Langer. Come on, go. You work here. What's wrong? Okay, is this a problem with everything or just put a regular booth? See the developers. Oh, yeah, no one's going to their positions. It's not just... Okay, it's not just the artist shop. We broke the game. Look, no one knows how to get to their positions. Shit. What did we break this time, guys? What? Right, let's look at the nav match. Maybe we're not looking at something right. No seeing the wall in the box? Maybe, yeah. Let's take a look. What's up, Brox? What the hell's that game? Oh, there it is. Okay, so here's the convention. So we're going to put down, whatever this is, a panel. Okay, let's look at our navigation mesh. Uh-oh. Okay, no, it looks fine. Right? And then if we put down an artist shop, there you go. It's okay. Maybe they're. See, she just like gives up hope. She's trying to get there, but just gives up hope. Is it still too big? Oh, Wait a second. Oh, shops don't do anything. Wait a second. Where do we do obstacle? Do we set the obstacles in the code? No, we just enable and disable them. Okay. Is it too small? It's a trigger. Is there something inside here? No one's walking up to any booths. How does that even... Why do they even... I think it's called worker AI. Station worker AI. If standing locator position is less than 1, then we teleport to that position. Maybe they're not getting a standing locator. AI.set target, set target, set target. How did that break after we created the artist booth? What did we change? Let's take a look at our characters. Wish the world wasn't so far away. Here's our little guy who's supposed to go man this station, right? This is an NPC. She is an actor. She's a station worker AI. She has no target seat. She has no target seat. No, she's not going to a seat. Like, what do we ruin in our boots? So we have developer and a locator. It's called a worker locator. Worker locator, get child 0 on spawn. If transfer count is greater than 0, get child 0 recycle. Okay, and we use these in our station. We find all of them. And worker locators, we use this. So after a station is placed, we clear our worker locators. We spawn the NPC for this locator. Which spawns a worker. Which passes a locator. Jovgard, thank you for the host. What's up, dude? We spawn a worker. We set their target to be this locator. And then they don't go to it. Right, so this is our worker AI. What did we break? Wait a second. Wait, no. Where do we do the whole infinity thing? This can't be it. Just can't be. You own what the box? Nice, Wild. Let's try to backtrack to what we did. What do we do right before? Should have committed. Definitely should have committed. What do we do right before starting the artist booth? Make a room called Quasi. I'm coming. Oh, I want to play with you guys. I gotta make this damn game. Right before the artist booth, we were doing... Oh, people sitting at booths, right? We were doing this. Is this what broke it? Is this infinity? Let's try this. Turn 0. That's the major change I remember making before we actually broke the NPCs. Yup, that's it. God damn it. Why? And why is that doing that? It's like flickering. Oh, it's because of the floor in the booth? Does this floor have a collider? It should not. Should not have a collider. Your floor should not have a collider. Your floor should not have a collider. I think. I trying to stream? Hell yeah. So I think I figured it out. Kind of. Get ride time. Start ride. On actor enter. How is this? How is this affecting our NPCs from joining their booths? Right? A worker walks towards it. They start talking. They smooth move. It must be in the NPC AI update method. Right? So an update, if it's picked up, blah, blah, blah. If it's an agent, has path, next wander, wandering, think. We're overriding the think method. So when is next should end ride called? Oh, is it ending its ride? No? This doesn't make any sense. The ride is only experienced by the visitor, not by the developer. Yeah, okay, so we still have the same bug. That wasn't it. Okay, I don't know what the hell it is. Yeah, our NPCs still aren't going to their booths. Let's serialize some stuff and see if we can figure out what's going on. Station worker AI has a standing locator. Serialize this. And let's put a debug.log. And let's print this distance. Looks like maybe standing locator is being set to null. Oh, no. Nope, that's not. That can't be it. It's really annoying that my scene view always goes over there. I want to go to the damn map. Okay, so now we're going to summon our artist. Put an artist booth down. Summons an artist. The distance is 2.5. At 1.8, the AI is giving up all hope. The AI is still trying to get to the standing locator, which is this locator, which is this chair we want him to go to. but they're stopping. How the hell do they do this? You know that point when you're coding and you wonder how did this work in the first place? How did this work in the first place? Oh, because the nav agent is moving. Did it ever get to less than 1? Well, this guy is interacting with the booth. Because he thinks the NPC is there. You actually have that every single day? Okay, so we know the NPC is trying to go to the right place. This is our NPC. They're trying to go to the right place. They are trying to go to this locator. But something is telling them not to. Something, somewhere, is telling them not to. So think is called an update. If you don't have an actor, don't have an item, we return. For actor, current state is picked up. If I don't know what that is. If we're at the station, return. Is our actor at the station? No. Where's my goddamn update with it? Set model. Lost track. And it's over. Oh, actor AI. NPC AI. Wrong class. If we don't have a path, then wandering is false. If our... What? If our distance is greater than 1, then return. Okay, fine. Then we call think. Have you ever thought of trying Unreal Engine 4? I did. After Sky, I thought of moving to Unreal Engine 4. And I realized it was a bad business move in that I have now 2 years experience with Unity. I can like kind of jump in there. I know where the nits and grits are. I know what's wrong with it. When you switch to another engine, you have to learn all that stuff all over again, right? What are the tricks and all the little things and all the things you don't know? There's still things I learn about Unity every day that I don't know. So I'm only going to be faster by working in Unity. So I realized I would slow myself down quite a bit if I switched engines midstream. The NPC's nav mesh agent turn off? Maybe just smooth teleport is broken? Nav mesh agent still on. Alright, let's see if that gets called. So we're gonna go to smooth move locator. Well, this is it's never getting this far. I don't think they're ever getting to this point. Maybe he did hit it and therefore stops. Let's see. Because if he stops, then he's going to say smooth. Yep. Never says smooth. Just stops. And it's not just with our artist either. It's happening with all the boots that we didn't change. What did I screw up? See, like she got really close. Then she couldn't find a path to it almost. Oh, I think there is no path to it. Oh, shit. What? No, there's a path to this one. I don't know what her problem is. There doesn't seem to be a path to that one. Okay, let's try this. If it's less than 10, then smooth move there. Well, annoying things that when you figure it out, yeah. Well, like now she does it, right? So they're not able to find their way to there. I don't remember changing that at all. It's like this is a bad hack, right? Now it's just when she gets a little close to it, she's gonna teleport to it. So it looks like they weren't able to find a path to their location. Nope, these guys still can't get there. What's up, Cleveroo? They still can't get to their locators, which are where? Here? The developer locator is right there. So maybe so the panel has quite a bit of space, right? Their nav mesh is just that. Or their obstacle, sorry. And the booth is this whole area. If we bring it all the way down. Use that if they can't find a path for 10 seconds and smooth teleport there. That's kind of a bad hack. We want to find out what's going on because this didn't exist before, right? We don't want to add like bad hacks like that to the game. I want you to figure out why, like what's actually wrong. It seems to be that they can't actually get a path to their location where we want them to stand. So now if I change this number back to 1. And also what'll happen is that with the bug is they'll just be teleporting from like across the map, right? If they can't find a path to somewhere. Because there's situations in a game like this where you can find a path. And that'll be a problem. Like that'll be a problem for the player. Oh, what the hell? Guys, come on. Why is 1 the magic number? Oh, wait. I think it has something to do with this. It's got to have something to do with this. If next wander is greater than time.time, and the distance... No, this is not getting set. This is an and, right? Next wander equals wander cooldown. Find nearest. It's the only time this is used? Really? Is the thing not getting overridden properly? Damn, this makes no sense to me. I feel like I'm gonna be laying in bed tonight, I'm gonna be like, I understand. That wall needs to be an obstacle. Which also makes it they only talk when... why is no one sitting here? Oh, it hasn't been built yet. They should only talk when someone's actually there, right? You must be tripping. I guess, I mean, dodging the problem, we're not really solving the problem yet. What we do need to fix is, oh, was there anything? Can't remember. Oh, this needs a nav mesh obstacle. so does this. Okay. Well, we have the booth artist shop. They need to be set up by the haulers, so the haulers carry the crates over. You can see they deliver all their items. Now they can start selling. Where's our hauler? Hello, there's a box for you. That's not good. Our hauler gave up on life. So this person's never gonna get their booth delivered. Can we hire someone else? Yeah, she'll get it. Oh, that hauler is really lazy. I don't know what happened to her. Okay, so let's start thinking about, you gotta think outside the box. Let's start thinking about some of our things we need to do. So, selling art at booths. I think right now they're gonna walk away with candy. Is there no reference exception? We don't need these anymore. Hauler needs water, right? So this person should walk away with candy, but sorry, with coffee. But it doesn't look like that's happening. Walking away with nothing. So we'll look into that. So actually buying stuff from the artist. And then booth NPCs animate based on people sitting there or not. Thanks, Zoo. I'll turn on the music. The music's getting really intense. Alright, so yeah, we'll work on animating the NPCs based on the booths, actually delivering the right things to them. But for now, yeah, we have the artist booth. What else do we make today? We had actual panel seating, right? So you can see the panel's nice and peaceful now. There's no longer these giant mosh pits on the panel. There's mosh pits behind the panel, but that's my own fault for designing the booth that way. And we're starting to get some more parts of the convention. We're going to go back to putting our coffee stand in here. Our beanbag chairs, we have sitting animations now. We can even add dividers if we wanted to siphon people off. Be like, this is a secret area back here. No one goes over there. And we actually have privacy in the bathroom, kind of, almost. Not really. I don't know why they gave up hope. I think they can't reach the toilet. Oh, I think toilets are unreachable. It looks like it, because no one can get to a toilet. Oh, no, they can. That was weird. Look, they actually sit on the toilet now. And walk through the toilet. Alright, guys, look at these people. Look at these people relaxing. Can we capture... We need to capture a GIF of this right now. Let's... I wish we could delete some stuff. Okay, wait. Let's capture a little thing. GTX 1080 founders are 12 gigabyte GTX Titan Pascal. And or? Is that option an and? So we're going to put a panel here. We're going to put a... Well, we won't put a ball pit. We're going to put a bunch of bean bags. I think I might want to have like actual rotation. Right now it's just 9 degree rotations. I think we could have actual rotations. Put a hand sanitizer booth over here. Coffee stand. Pizza shop. And we'll put some regular booths. And then let's fill it with people. I feel like we need something there. What can we put there? What do we have? More hand sanitizers, more toilets. We could just put a ball pit, I guess. Just to fill in that space. And let's grab a GIF. Oh, I don't even have any GIF programs. Fail. Fail. Download. Oh, not easy. What's the GIF cam I think I use? Yeah, GIF cam. Let's download this guy. Where the hell's the download button? It's like all the way at the bottom or something. Why do people hide their download buttons? Like, really? I just want to download your thing. All right, let's fire this guy up. And let's record a GIF. Need to make it smaller. We're gonna make. I like GIF cam a lot because it really compresses the GIF on record by reducing colors and stuff. It's pretty sweet. I'm gonna go for 560, which is the ideal resolution for a Twitter image. Where's the edge? Do that, and then we'll go like that. And go like that. Maybe give it a little more space here. Alright, ToiletCon. Let's record. Actually, let's make a new one. I want to move the camera just so you can see that panel a bit better. Record. And there it is. Let's save. We're going to call this guy Tycoon Day 22. It'd be cool if we started doing this more often. I wish we were doing it from the beginning. If every day at the end of development, we record a short GIF of the gameplay, right? It'd be great if we could do it from the same angle, but of course we won't. Then at the end of the game, we'll have like a really sweet progress of like what the game looked like throughout time, right? Let's see if that one even looked good. I think it might have been too short. Yeah. Probably could have been faster paced. It makes it look more fun when they're running faster. Go back. When you have it like double speed or triple speed, I think it looks more fun to watch. Oh no, you can see the toilets. I don't want the toilets in the shot. Let's make sure it's daytime. Let's do a day-night cycle. You ruin everything. Where's everybody in the convention anyway? Everybody in the bathroom? Probably because their bathroom stats really high. Okay, now you have two GIFs. Reminds me of the debug art project, right? That'd be so cool. Darko, what's up, dude? Yeah, that'd be so cool to kind of see the progress of it. I'm probably going to forget. I'm going to count on you guys to remind me toward the end of the stream to like record progress, because I'm totally going to forget. Look at this bearded biker dude just relaxing in this beanbag chair. Having a good old time. It's like, yeah, I'm sitting, I'm sitting. Oh, yeah. Everyone's just crowded around the bathroom because their stats are dead. All their stats are just empty. They're not even using the bathroom. They're just staring at the toilet in loneliness and horror. They just want to go home. Everybody just wants to go home. They've been here forever. Oh, they're all actually frozen. I think because they ran out of energy. Hashtag dead. Yeah, like actually hashtag dead this time. Well. That is some pretty sweet progress. I'm glad we actually have panels looking like they work, even though you can't design them yet from the player's point of view. At least the AI can enjoy them. They're all wondering where the transgender bathrooms are. There's the one bathroom for everybody. I have to walk home. Can't do anything else because the equipment I need is at my house. All right, see you, Wild. Thanks for hanging out, dude. It was good seeing you again. Or reading you again. But guys, it is that time of day. It is time. Where's my face? Why does this never show my face? Nope. This doesn't show my... Why doesn't this show my video capture device? Whatever. Let's go back here. Still haven't fixed the ending scene. I totally forgot to fix that last time. Guys, it is time to go. Thank you so much for an awesome stream. Thank you guys so much for the follows today. Welcome all you new guys. We're going to be working on Convention Tycoon some more. This is day 22. We got a lot more ahead of us. Thank you guys for the subs, the resubs. It's been so long. 6 months is an amazing amount of time. Cooldown sketches, Jeffy. No cooldown sketches until we get the new computer. After watching the video yesterday, I do want to bring cooldown sketches back. We might bring them back as warm-up sketches, but we can't do them until we do get the new rig. So for now, there won't be cooldown sketches until my new computer gets here. Are those models closed source? Are the models in the game closed source? They're on the asset store. What models? Talking about the pictures of me? The characters in the game are from the asset store. The environments are mostly just crap I put together in Unity real quick. Or in what's the other program that I use? What's the other program that I use? Maya real quick. I show up and you just bounce. Nice. Sorry, Stats. I saw you come in and I was like, oh man, we got to go. We got to go. But guys, let's do something we haven't done in a very long time. Let's go see what's going on in creative. Let's go see what's going on in hashtag game dev. And maybe raid a streamer who we've never streamed before, who we may not even know. So let's go see what's going on in hashtag game dev. There's some pretty crazy stuff. Some pretty crazy stuff. Super Mario 64. Is that game dev? Overwatch pixel art without star? Ooh, what's this? Overwatch pixel art sounds awesome to me. All right, guys, let's go drop a raid. So our raid message is going to be very simply Quasi TV raid. All right, and we're going to be raiding the very awesome Outstar Walker. If you guys don't know how raids works, we're all going to head over to the channel and we're going to fill their chat with Quasi TV raid. Let them know we're here. Let them know where we came from and show them some love. And let's watch this super awesome pixel art. This is some crazy pixel art, guys. You guys gotta head over there. I'll see you guys over at Outstar Walker's channel. Until then, I'll see you guys on Friday for Quasi Jam 7. Don't forget to vote. Don't forget to check out the jam details. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
I just photoshopped her as a Superman. She's a little Superman. I'm scrolling down, trying to check. Where's the picture of me? Yeah, I can't see it. It's not there. It was later. Oh, there we go. Got it. Oh my God, it's a raid! Oh my God, raid! Hello everyone!